Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are building something absolutely incredible. Okay, yeah, a self-destructing nodes app with a military grade end-to-end encryption. Okay, yeah. So this is just not another tutorial project. Okay, this is a production-ready application that you could actually use. Okay, yeah, you can actually use deploy for the secure communication. Basically, you can actually deploy and use for the secure communication. Okay, yeah. So we are talking about nodes that automatically delete themselves after being read once. Okay, yeah. So with encryption so strong that even if someone hacked our database, they could not read a single message. Okay, yeah. So by the end of this video, you will have built a complete full stack application using Next.js MongoDB and a client-side encryption. Okay, yeah. Okay, so before starting coding, okay, yeah, let me show you exactly what we are building. Okay, yeah. Okay. So as you can see, okay, this is our landing page, a secure nodes, end-to-end encrypted nodes that self-destruct after reading. Okay, there is a 3 card is available, end-to-end encryption. Your nodes are encrypted in your browser, okay, before being sent to our servers, and self-destructing nodes are automatically deleted after being read once. Okay, yeah, there is a no zero knowledge. We never have access to your unencrypted content. Okay, yeah, okay. So you can see there is a box. Okay, here you can write your message and it will be encrypted and can only be read once. Okay, yeah. So like I can type here any sensitive, okay, any sensitive information like any API key, a password, or any type of confidential data. Okay, yeah. So when I click create secure nodes, okay, yeah, the magic happen. The contents get encrypted right here in my browser using AES 256 encryption, okay, which is a very powerful encryption. Then saved our database. Notice I also going to get, okay, let me just hit enter. Okay, yeah. Okay, so as you can see your secure node is ready. Yeah, okay, yeah, and you are getting a shareable link. Okay, yeah. So also there is some instruction. This link will only works once. After someone open it, the node will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. Okay, yeah. So just copy it and open it another tab. Okay, yeah. Okay, so the node has been permanently deleted and cannot be accessed again. Okay, now you can copy as well this. Okay, yeah. So self-destruct, the node has been permanently deleted from our servers and cannot be recovered. The link used is now invalid. Okay, yeah. So okay, so it's completely gone. Okay, when it's completely gone, the cool part is, okay, let's make it refresh. Okay, so now you can see I make a hard refresh. Okay, nodes not available, note not found, or has been already deleted. Remember, secure nodes can only be read once. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, and we can create another nodes also, we can share it. Yeah, it will only read once and after that it will automatically deleted. Okay, yeah. So okay, let's discuss what we are going to use. Okay, yeah. So here we are going to use Next.js. Okay, yeah. Okay, so Next.js with the new app router. Okay, yeah, with the new app router, and also we are going to use TypeScript. Okay, yeah. Or full stack React framework. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we are going to use Next.js. This is our full stack React framework. Okay, yeah. Also for the database we are going to use MongoDB. Okay, and for the cards there actually we need a multiple cards, like we need button labels, and yeah, so that kind of things we are going to take from the ShadCN UI. Okay, yeah, which is really awesome. Okay, yeah, ShadCN UI. Next, what we are going to use, we are going to use CryptoJS. Okay, for the client side AES 256 encryption with the PBK DF2 key derivation. Okay, yeah. Okay, so you can just Google it. Okay, just Google it, what is CryptoJS. Okay, okay, and what is the AES 256 encryption and with the PBK DF2 key derivation. Okay, yeah. Next we are going to use Sooner. Okay, using Sooner we are going to create a best toast. Okay, yeah. Next one we are going to use the nano id. Okay, nano id for the generating cryptographically secure unique IDs. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's good. So this architecture follows a zero knowledge principle. Okay, yeah, we are implementing end-to-end encryption where the server acts purely as an encrypted storage. Okay, yeah, even someone gained access to our database, all they had see it encrypted. Okay, yeah. So we are using MongoDB as a TTL index for the automatic document deletion, and the encrypted happens entirely in the browser using industry standard algorithm. Okay, yeah, that's good. So alright, let's start building. I'm going to create a new Next.js project with all the wells and yeah. Okay, yeah, let's start. So just create a folder. I am giving to the name is the E2E. Okay, yeah, and open it in your Visual Studio Code. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so what I need to do here, just open your browser, basically open your terminal. Okay, not browser. Yeah, okay. So npx create next app at the rate latest. Okay, yeah, of course we are going to use latest. And next one is create a new, actually just download it here. Okay, yeah, and also we are going to use TypeScript. Okay, yeah, and as well as we need Tailwind CSS as well. Okay, yeah, to Tailwind just add a ESLint. Okay, yeah, and we are going to use our app root. Okay, also we need to use the src. Okay, directory. Okay, yeah, that's good. Hit enter. Okay, okay, so here we need to provide a permission. Okay, yeah, install. Okay, that's good. Of course we are not going to use turbo pack. Yes, we can use this. Okay, of course alias. Yeah, so it's started downloading. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so let's wait for the moment. Okay, yeah, I think it's taking too much time, but no worry, it's a one type. Okay, yeah, okay, so that's good. Now let's install all our dependency in one go. Okay, so what we are going to use, basically I need to also install mongoose. Okay, yeah, we are going to use mongoose, and we need a CryptoJS. Okay, as I mentioned in our discussion part. Okay, yeah, so we need to install the CryptoJS. Also we need a nano id. Okay, for the unique id generation, and we need the sooner. Okay, I think I need to add comma. Okay, yeah, okay, we need CryptoJS, we need nano id, we need sooner. Okay, yeah, that's good. Also what we can install next themes. Okay, yeah, okay, and also I have used the react icons. Okay, so I think I need to install from the redux. Okay, yeah, so redux UI, and yeah, from the React icons. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, next what we need to install, we need to install Redux UI React slot. Okay, yeah, that's good. Also we need to install @Redux UI. We need a React label. Okay, yeah, okay. We need Lucid React. Okay, I think now we are okay. Okay, yeah, we can install the Tailwind animate as well as, okay, let's see, CSS animate. Okay, yeah. Also I think I need to install the types for that. Okay, types basically for the CryptoJS. Okay, yeah. So let's ignore for as of now. Okay, yeah, let's hit enter. Okay, so I think I need to install the types also. Basically some packages already have their types. Okay, but yeah, I need to install for the mongoose. Okay, yeah. So let's install it. Okay, let's install npm install -d. This is for the dev dependency. Okay, for the TypeScript as well. Okay, yeah, for the TypeScript, and we need to install for the node as well. Okay, yeah, to site types node, and also we need to install for the mongoose. Okay, as well. Okay, that's good. Okay, so yeah, yeah, that's good. So I think we installed all the dependency and dev dependency. Okay, yeah. Okay, so next we need to install the UI component. Okay, so we will need the ShadCN UI. Okay, yeah, so let's write it. Okay, yeah, so npx ShadCN. Okay, so this will install ShadCN. Okay, I need to add the latest as well. Okay, yeah. And what I need to do, okay, add beneath button, card, and input and text area. Okay, yeah. And also we need I think label as well. Okay, yeah, let's install it. Okay, of course you can go ahead. Yeah, use the neural language. Okay, neutral language. Okay, that's good. So what it will does, basically it will just install all the button, card, and input text area and labels. Okay, yeah, which we can use directly. Okay, yeah. So yeah, okay, so as you can see there is a two more folder coming. Okay, yeah, there is a lib where util.js, clsx, and also we have the tailwind merge. Okay, so using this cn we are going to write a dynamic css. Okay, we can write dynamic css. Okay, yeah, that's good. So inside components you can see there is a one more folder is created. Its name is UI, and inside UI we have the button, card, input, labels, text area. Okay, if we want we can add according to us any colors, any design, whatever we want to add we can add it. Okay, yeah, so that is already downloaded. Okay, yeah, so perfect. Now we have everything. Okay, like as a starter, so now we need to start the our project structure. Okay, yeah, so I think first thing first, we need to first add our Mongoose connection. Okay, yeah, so let's do it. Okay, yeah. So for that, I think I can create here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so create a new file here, and the name is file is the we can write. Okay, there start. Okay, yeah. So mongoose.ts. Okay, yeah, that's good. So what we need to first import mongoose. Okay, yeah. Okay, import mongoose from mongoose. Okay, oh sorry. Okay, so we are going to create a cache. Okay, if we already have the mongoose connection, basically what we are going in next, whenever we create the post and get route, okay, for the getting the nodes and sending the nodes, okay, we need to first make sure our database connected or not. Okay, so I am saving the saving nodes to our database. Okay, then we are checking our database is connection or not. Okay, so if this is not, so we just connect database. Okay, yeah. Again, whenever we need to get operation, so in that time also our database is connected, but we need to make sure the database is connected or not. Okay, yeah. So we will be come back and we just check again. Okay, yeah. So that's why I am going to use here a cache mechanism. Okay, so let's, if the connection is already there, so directly return that, otherwise make a new connection. Okay, yeah. So how we can do that, let's see. So create a variable. Okay, let cache. Okay, of course this is a global. Okay, and we can define as a any. Okay, yeah. Okay, dot mongoose. Okay, that's good. If the cache is not available, okay, of course if the cache is not available, so what we can do here, go to the cache. Okay, and it will also global as any. Okay, yeah, global as any. What we can do here, dot mongoose, and add a connection. Basically this is the variable which have the connected URL. Okay, yeah, that's good. So we can assign is null as well, and also we can assign the promises to be null. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, okay, so after that we need to create a function. Okay, that will make sure our database is connected or not. Okay, if that not connected, then make a new connection, otherwise if it's already connected, yeah, that's return our connection. Okay, yeah. So just create a function. Okay, that's good. And the name of the function, just make a db connect. Okay, yeah, db connect, and we are not going to pass any params like. Okay, yeah. So if we have the connection, okay, okay, if our cache has the connection, so no need to make a new connection. Okay, just return that connection. Okay, yeah, cache dot connect. Okay, yeah. If the cache dot promise. Okay, if this is basically null. Okay, yeah, this is not null. Okay, yeah. I think I made a mistake here. I need to write this promise. Okay, yeah, that's good. Just copy it here and paste it here. Okay, so for that what I can do here, also we can add here buffer commands. Okay, as well. Okay, so since we are using here mongoose, okay, so this is the experimental part in the Next.js. So also we need to change the config as well. Okay, yeah, we will change it later. Okay, let's first complete this part. Okay, yeah. Okay, so what we can do here, we have our options. Okay, yeah, that's good, that is already ready. So I think I need to cache dot, just inside promise you can add or you can add your MongoDB connection. Okay, yeah. So actually I have already the URL of MongoDB. Okay, so I think I need to copy from somewhere else. Okay, yeah. So you can use your localhost, okay, if you have the mongoose download. Yeah, of course you can use your localhost, but yeah, I am going to use from the atlas. Okay, okay. Okay, so let's wait for what we can do here. Just go to the connect now. Okay, no need to connect new. Okay, yeah, we have already connected. So I think I need the okay, I need just this URL. Okay, yeah, just copy it here and I can paste it here. Okay, you can add here basically inside .env. Okay, that's the good practice, but as of now I am just using it. Okay, yeah. So I think I need to copy my password as well. Okay, so yeah, I have that password. I need to just make it here. Okay, so the password is yx 87. Okay, o and okay, f s I and yeah, C3, capital I, capital D, small d, O, U and K. Okay, yeah, that's good. So now I have the my I have my mongoose connection. Okay, basically I have my the okay, my connection string. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so I need to pass our options as well. Okay, yeah, I can pass my option here. Okay, so using dot, then basically it will return our promise. Okay, yeah, you can check here. So just mongoose. Okay, yeah, that's good. So what we can do here, just return mongoose. Okay, yeah, okay. So I think this is okay. Now what we need to do here, I think we have the, if our connection is already, then we first in our first condition, okay, in our first check it will return. Okay, if not, so we just store basically we just store that string inside our object. Okay, and using that object we are going to connect, basically we are going to make a connection. Okay, yeah. So cache, I think, see, okay, cache dot what I can make here, connect, okay, equal to, just wait for the connection, await mongoose dot promise. Okay, yeah, okay, not, already we have that URL inside cache. Okay, yeah, cache dot promise. Okay, yeah, okay. If there anything else like we are suffering to not connect with the database. Okay, so yeah, just make our cache promise is equal to null. Okay, yeah, and throw an error. Okay, yeah, of course. Okay, what we need to do next, of course, after try and catch, just return our cache connection. Okay, we have the cache dot connection. Okay, yeah, that's good. So let's export it here. Okay, export default db connect. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so now I have the mongoose.ts file which will make sure our database is connected or not. Okay, yeah. So what we need to do next, okay, so let's create our basically encryption. Okay, how we can encrypt and decrypt. Okay, I think after that we need to create our model. Okay, yeah, then we are going to create basically first we are going to create our model. Okay, after that just creating the both of the API like a get request and the post request, then we are moved ahead and create our encryption and decryption functions. Okay, yeah, so let's do it. So I think I need to create a one more folder inside. Okay, yeah, just make a one more folder here. The name of the folder is models. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, and create a file. The name of the file is node.ts. Okay, yeah. Here also we need to import mongoose. Okay, yeah, import the mongoose. Okay, so since we are writing code in JavaScript, no, not JavaScript, in TypeScript, so we need to create an interface for the node. Okay, yeah, so let's create a interface. Okay, yeah, I node. Okay, yeah. So first, if the underscore id is true, okay, of course this is gonna string. Okay, and we need to create a one more field that is also string. Okay, and encrypted. Okay, encrypted content. Okay, yeah, that will also string. Okay, yeah. Next, this is iv. Okay, yeah, basically iv and this salt. Okay, okay, so iv and salt to basically I using iv and salt we are going to encrypt our data. Okay, encrypt our content, and also we are going to decrypt our, obviously there is a some algorithm in our browser. Okay, which is the AES. Okay, yeah, but iv and salt is a very necessary. Okay, yeah, that's why we have stored here. Okay, yeah, so also we need to created at. Okay, yeah, that is type of date. Okay, yeah, that's good. I think we don't need basically expires. Okay, expire set. Okay, if this is true. Okay, this is not mandatory part. Okay, yeah, that's good. Now we have our interface. Okay, let's create our schema. So const node schema new mongoose dot schema. Okay, yeah, dot schema, and that is type of okay, I think that's good, type of I node. Okay, yeah. Okay, so our id. Okay, id is the type of string. Okay, that's good. And yeah, it is always required true. Okay, okay, yeah, sorry. And also it should be unique. Okay, yeah, it should be unique. Next, just make a index is true. Okay, yeah, that's good. So just copy this and paste it here. Okay, yeah. Next, what we are going to basically we need our encrypted content. Okay, yeah, okay, sorry. So this is the encrypted content. Okay, just okay, yeah, this is also type of string. Okay, of course this is required true, but no need to add the unique and index. Okay, basically our encrypted content is not to be unique. Okay, yeah. So next, we have the iv. Also we can paste it here. Okay, sorry, not. So basically iv is also type of string. Okay, yeah. Okay, so iv is also type of string and it is also required true. Okay, yeah. Okay, so just copy this, and the salt is same. Okay, salt is also type of string and required true. Okay, just paste it here. Okay, what we have to write here, created. Okay, yeah, created at. So created at obviously type of date. Okay, that's why it's showing error. Okay, yeah, and it is not required. Basically we need to set some default data. Okay, yeah, so default we can add a date dot now. Okay, yeah, and expire. I made a not mandatory part expire at. Okay, yeah, so okay, sorry, expire at. Okay, so expire at be, it's also should be type of date. Okay, yeah. Okay, here we can also add default date dot now. Okay, yeah, yeah, that's good. Okay, so for the auto delete, I think now we have created our schema perfectly. Okay, yeah. Okay, so for the auto delete, okay, being read. Okay, using ttl index, what we can do here basically, so node schema dot index. Okay, use expire at. Okay, expires at, of course this will 1. What I can do here, just expire after, okay, expire after seconds, it should be 0. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, now what we can do here, just export this. I think we are good to go. Okay, yeah, mongoose dot model dot node. Okay, yeah, or mongoose dot model, this is the type of inode. Okay, yeah, node comma, what we can pass here, node schema. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I am getting this error actually, mongoose dot model dot node, probably node does not exist on the type. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's leave it as it is. Okay, yeah, I think leave it as it is. Also we can remove it from here. Okay, yeah, I think this is only good for that. Okay, yeah, no need of this. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so now our schema is also ready. Okay, what we need to do next, we need to do just create our get request and the post request. Okay, yeah, so let's do it. Okay, yeah, so go to inside app directly, and here what we can do, we need to create a API folder. Okay, yeah, so inside API create a root.js. Okay, yeah, root.ts. Okay, sorry. Okay, so also I think I need to create a API, one more folder nodes, and inside here we can make it move. Okay, just move it here. Okay, yeah, so what I need to do here, basically first we need to import our next response. Okay, next request and next response. Also we need here nano ID, and yeah, we need our DB connect and also our node model. Okay, yeah, so yeah, first I am importing our node. Okay, that's good. Also we need nano ID. Okay, so we import that as well. And what we need our DB connect. Okay, so DB connect is also coming. Okay, yeah, what we need to next, basically we need to next response. Okay, we are going to use next request from our next server, and same next response. Okay, yeah, that's good. So just create a function and async the function. Okay, just make a post request. Basically we are going to save our notes to our database. Okay, yeah, so for that we need our, okay, so just request, and this is type of next request. Okay, yeah, okay, so just create a try and catch statement. Okay, yeah, so first we need to make sure our database is connected. Okay, of course, yeah, that's good. After that we are getting the data, what we can getting our encrypted data and IB and salt. Okay, earlier I discussed to you, basically IB and salt is the most important for the decrypted and encrypted data, so that's why we are getting the IB and salt from the from our client side for the storing into database. Okay, yeah, that's good. So await from the request.json. Okay, yeah, okay, so what I need to do next, basically we need to check if anyone is absent. Okay, if we don't have encrypt content or anything like IB and assault, so we need to just immediately return the missing required fields. Okay, yeah, so if we don't have encrypted content. Okay, yeah, or we don't have IB, or we don't have salt. Okay, yeah, so what I need to do here, just return a response immediate. Okay, that is type of JSON. Okay, yeah, and here we need to pass error. Okay, the error is missing required field. Okay, yeah, missing required field. Okay, yeah, that's good. And for that we need to pass a status, and that status is 400. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, If we have everything, that's all, we are good to go, and we are ready to generate our ID and nodes creation. Okay, yeah. So use the nano ID, and I need to pass here, I just pass the 20 on. Okay, yeah. So why what is the 20 on bypass? The basically it's a default size for the nano ID. Okay, yeah. As you can see, when I hover this, basically size of the ID, the default size is 21. Okay, generate secure URL friendly unique ID. By default, the ID will have 21 symbols to have a collision probability similar to the UUID before. Okay, yeah. So just I need the pass 21 here. Okay, yeah. So now let's create our node. Yeah, we are ready. Basically we have everything for the create of node. Okay, so const node equal to new node. Okay, yeah, of course we need to pass all those value. So inside id we need to pass nano id. Okay, yeah. Okay, not nano id, basically node id, which I have declared earlier. Okay, yeah. Also, of course, we need to pass our encrypted data, we need to pass iv, we need to pass salt as well. Okay, yeah. Next, in the created add, of course we are going to add a date dot now. Okay, let's make a, okay, date dot now is good. Okay, yeah. For the expires, okay, for the expire at, I think we need to 7 day for our fallback. Okay, yeah, it's only for the fallback. Okay, yeah. So just make a new date, and yeah, date dot now. How we can add 7 days? Okay, so just date dot now, and we need to add 7 into 24 into 60 into 60. Okay, and into 1000. Okay, that is just 7 days as a fallback. Okay, yeah. Okay, so what we need to do here, just wait for the creation of node. Okay, yeah. So node dot save. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, now we can return our next response. Okay, dot json, and that is the we need to add some message here. Okay, yeah. I think we need to return our id as well. Okay, so just id, and we can pass our status. Okay, yeah. And status is 201. Basically status 201 is tells everything about like a nodes is created successfully. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now go to the error part. Okay, in the catch block, if we have any kind of error, first we need to print that error. Okay, yeah. So error creating node. Okay, yeah, error creating nodes, and also we can print that error. Okay, yeah. Next we need to return our next response. Okay, so let's copy it from here. Okay, yeah, I think both are similar. Okay, yeah. Okay, so return next response, and we need to change here 5000. Okay, there is an internal server error also. Okay, we can write here failed to create. Okay, yeah, failed to create node. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so now our basically post request is ready. Okay, we are now able to create our nodes. Okay, yeah. Okay, so what we need to pass, we need to pass the encrypted content and iv and salt. Okay, yeah, that's good. Now quickly let's create for the getting our nodes from the database. Okay, yeah. So for that we need again id. Okay, basically node id for that. Okay, so let's create a one more folder. The folder name is id. Okay, and inside we need to create our root.ts file. Okay, yeah. Okay, so again here we also need the db connect nodes and next response. Okay, yeah. So first just import the db connect, and next just quickly get the node. Okay, node model, and also what we need here, we need the next response. Okay, next response and next request. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so we need to create just a function which will take our data. Okay, this is type of get request. Okay, yeah. Okay, so inside what we have, basically we need to declare our request. Okay, the request is next request, of course, And also here what we have some params, okay. Inside params we have the id, okay. Yeah, id of the nodes, okay. Yeah, so params should be id and that is type of string, okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so what we need to do here, just add a try catch, okay. Try catch statement. After that go inside the try block and okay, the first thing first we need to check our database is connected or not properly, okay. Yeah, that's good. If not, we will connect here, okay. Yeah, also I need id from our params, okay. Yeah, that's good. So if this id is not available, basically this id is not available, what we can say here, return next response, okay. I think we can copy from here as well, okay. Yeah, so let's go to here and copy this. Okay, so we directly return a response, node id is required, okay. Yeah, of course, node id is required, node id is required. Yeah, and the status is 400, okay. It's okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so if we have the id, what we need to do here, find and delete the node in one operation, okay. Yeah, const node is equal to await, okay, node dot find one and delete, okay. Yeah, so using the id we are getting that and just immediately delete that node as well, okay. Yeah, so inside a node variable we have that node, okay. So yeah, actually if the node is not available, okay. Yeah, so also we can return some response that is node is already deleted, basically node are not found or already deleted, okay. Yeah, we can say. So what we can write here, node not found or already deleted, okay. Yeah, and the status is 404, okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so if this condition is also false, so what we have, basically we are getting our nodes and also deleted, okay, successfully. So we can return our response, okay. So next response dot json, okay. So I have got this error, basically, okay. We need to add is dot, okay. Yeah, so here we need to pass the encrypt content, okay, encrypted content as well, okay. So how we can basically encrypted content, so I am getting that from node dot encrypted content, okay. Yeah, encrypted content, okay, that's good. Also I need to pass the iv, okay, that's good. Node dot iv, we need to pass the salt as well, okay. So getting from the node dot salt, okay. Yeah, okay. Also I need to pass the created at when this is created, okay. And the created at should be node dot created at, okay. Yeah, just make alt z and control s, okay. Now everything is formatting, okay, basically okay. I think this is unnecessary thing, okay. Yeah, so okay, let's handle also our error, okay. If we got any error like so, just copy it from here, okay. So what I need to do, basically just remove this here, retrieve, okay. Yeah, RIEVING, okay, just retrieve, okay. Yeah, so you can say here, basically we are getting the id inside params and just take that id, check that id, okay. The id is not available, just tell to our client, basically id is required, okay. Okay, you have to send the id. If we are getting that id, just try to find the node. If we are not able to find the node, just tell them node not found or already deleted, okay. Yeah, if we are successfully getting that node, so what we can do here, we need to send our encrypted content iv salt and created it, okay. Yeah, that's good. So this way we can get our node, okay. Yeah, and delete it as once, okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so I think Now we can create our encryption and decryption. Okay, how we are going to perform our encryption and decryption. Okay, yeah, let's go here where we are going to create. Go to the lib folder. Okay, yeah, inside just create a encryption dot ts. Okay, okay, okay. So of course there is a only one thing we need. Okay, we are going to add here multiple things. Okay, not multiple things, basically 2 to 3 functions. Okay, yeah. So also, yeah, just add a CryptoJS from CryptoJS. Okay, yeah, okay. I think why it's declare but its value is never used. Okay, yeah, that's why it's okay. Yeah, let's create our interface for that. Okay, yeah, so export interface and encrypted, we can write it encrypted result. Okay, yeah. Encrypted content, and that is string. Okay, yeah, okay. And also we have the IV. Okay, so now you can understand. Okay, you will understand basically very well. Okay, just wait a moment. Okay, basically just wait for that these 2 or 3 function of creation. Okay, yeah. So salt is also string. Okay, yeah. And we are going to store a key. Okay, using this key, basically this will be used in the URL fragment. Okay, that's why we are having this key. Okay, yeah. Now just create a function. Okay, which will generate a key basically. Okay, for the generating our key, so generate key, of course this is type of string. Okay, yeah. So return, use the CryptoJS dot lib. I think I am not getting the suggestion. Okay, yeah, I think we need to install the types for that also. Okay, for this also, yeah. Okay, so let's do it quickly. Okay, how I can start it, basically how can I download it? So npm I minus d at the rate types slash the name of this CryptoJS. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now you can see the error is gone. Okay, yeah. So I think earlier, I think like CryptoJS have already inbuilt their types, but yeah, that's not okay. I am wrong over there. Okay, yeah. Okay, so return CryptoJS dot, I think now we have the suggestion. Okay, dot lib dot, we have the word array. Okay, using the word array we have a random function as well. Okay, we can pass here 256 by 8 and just convert this into string. Okay, yeah, that's why. Okay, so now error is gone. Okay, yeah. So this way we are generating our key. Okay, yeah. So let's create our main function basically using this encrypt node. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is our heart of our application. Okay, yeah. So what we have basically, have the string. Okay, basically content. If the key is true, that's good. If we are getting that key. Okay, sorry. Okay, from the encrypted result. Okay, yeah, I think, yeah, that's good. Okay, so okay, why I'm getting this? Okay, I think okay, let me check. Okay, encryption key. Okay, so this is key. Okay, if we have that key, okay, that's okay. If we don't have, so using this generate key, we can generate a key for that. Okay, yeah. So okay, and still I'm getting that error. Okay, generate key, why this is happen? Okay, yeah, I think I made a mistake here. Okay, I need to made it small string. Okay, yeah, content is our string, that's good. a function whose declared type is neither undefined void nor any must return a value. Okay, yeah, I think it's wait for the return. Okay, yeah, no issue. Okay, so it's a generate key. Okay, now we have our celt also. Okay, so use the CryptoJS dot live. Okay, dot word array same, and we have the random. Okay, we can pass here 128 divided by 8. Okay, yeah, and simple just copy it once again. Okay, yeah, and paste it here, generate our IV, and what we can pass here, we can pass here 128 by, okay, same as it. Okay, yeah, simple. Okay, so we need a derive key. Okay, derive key from the key and salt. Okay, using key and salt we are going to create a derived key. Okay, let's do it. Okay, yeah, const derived key equal to crypto js dot pbk. Okay, I think we are getting the suggestion. Okay, what I need to do here, I need to pass the encryption key. Okay, yeah, I need to pass the encryption key, and yeah, salt as well. Okay, yeah, and what I can do here, basically I can decide the key size. Okay, yeah, so what is the key size? Basically I can write here basically 256 divided by 32, same as it is we are generating salt and IV. Okay, yeah, also padding here, I think I'm not getting the suggestion. Okay, okay, we need to add here iterations. Okay, yeah, so we can add here 10,000. Okay, yeah, okay, so using this derived key we are going to encrypt our content. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so how we can encrypt here, const encrypted equal to use the CryptoJS dot, there is a AES algorithm. Okay, yeah, AES dot, using this we are going to encrypt it and pass the content here, also derived key. Okay, yeah, and what we need to pass, we need to pass our IV, I need to pass the mode. Okay, that is also from the CryptoJS. Okay, yeah, so CryptoJS dot mode, I think there is a multiple mode is available, but I am using CBC. Okay, yeah, okay, that's good. I think I made some mistake. Okay, yeah, that's good. So what I need to add here, I need to add here a padding, and that is also CryptoJS dot pad. Okay, dot I think pkcs7. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, yeah, okay, so now our content is encrypted. Okay, whatever what is content we are passing inside their AES algorithm, and using the derived key and the IV we are encrypted our data. Okay, successfully. Okay, yeah, now what we can do here, we need to just return our encrypted content. Okay, so encrypted content, so just encrypted, make it string. Okay, yeah, and I need to pass the IV as well. Okay, so IV dot to string. Okay, and we need to pass our salt as well. Okay, yeah, salt dot string. Okay, dot to string, same I need to return our key as well. Okay, yeah, so I think now the error is gone. Okay, yeah, key is string. Okay, yeah, I think okay, so key is not encrypted node. Okay, yeah, that's good. Encryption key, I need to pass the encryption key. Okay, yeah, which is already a string. Okay, yeah, so it will make sure the string is basically return. Okay, yeah. So I need to pass the encrypted content, IV, salt and key. Basically whenever we are trying to decrypt these nodes, we need that IV, salt and key. Why? Because whenever when we are going to encrypt our nodes or content, we need that IV and salt. Using that IV and salt and key we are encrypted. So using decryption we need the these three. Okay, yeah, that's why I return this. Okay, yeah, okay, So using this function we can encrypt our data. Okay, now we need to create a decrypt function. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's create it as well. So export function, okay, decrypt note. Yeah, and here what we need to here encrypted content. Okay, just okay, sorry, just copy it from here. Okay, yeah. Encrypted content, which is, yeah, of course it's a string. I need to add the key as well, so it is also a string. Okay, yeah. I need to add ib, which is also a string, and next I need to add the salt as well. Okay, yeah, which is also type of a string. Okay, yeah. So what I can do here, basically all are string. Okay, yeah. Okay, just wrap this. Okay, yeah. So basically it must have return. If I return any string, like a return anything, okay, so yeah, that's good. Error is gone. Okay, yeah. Okay, so using dash derive key we need to decrypt our content. Okay, yeah. So const, what I need to do here, const derive key, okay, equal to crypto. We have the crypto pbkdft. Okay, we need to pass the key as well, and crypto js dot, there is encryption dot hex dot parse. Okay, we need to pass the salt in this way. Okay, yeah. And what I need to do here, just include opener, and also we need to pass the same as a key size, so 256 divided by 32. And here also I need to add the iteration. The iteration should be 10,000. Okay, yeah. So I think I need 256 divided by 32. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so now our derive key is okay. So what we can do, we can just directly decrypt our content. Okay, so decrypted equal to crypto.js. Okay, okay, crypto. So we encrypted using AES. Okay, so in the decryption we need to also use AES. Okay, so just decrypt is, we need to pass our encrypted content. Okay, yeah, and pass the derive key. Also I need to add the IP. Okay, it is already passed for that. Okay, encryption dot hex. Okay, yeah, and I need to pass the IP. Okay, yeah, same I need to pass the mode as well. Okay, so CryptoJS dot mode dot cbc. Okay, or not ebc, cbc. Okay, yeah, we need to add padding as well. Okay, yeah. So here CryptoJS, okay, dot, I can add pad dot um, pk cs7. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so what I can do here, basically just return our decrypted content. Okay, so decrypted dot to string. Okay, yeah, of course, CryptoJS डॉट इंक्रिप्शन इन द UTF हो गया आपके, UTF-8. Okay, yeah. So in this way I can decrypt basically. Okay, let's create a try and catch. Okay, yeah, try catch statement. Okay, so just make it everything here try, and if we have getting any error, so just I think throw new error. Okay, yeah. So what I can write here, failed to decrypt note invalid, of course invalid. So there is a two possibility. Okay, if you provide a invalid key, okay, or the data is corrupted. Okay, yeah, that's good. So now we successfully created our encryption and decryption functions. Okay, yeah, using that we are encrypt our data and decrypt our data. Okay, yeah. So I think there's a lot of technical part basically, so we need to move ahead and create our UI. Okay, yeah. So open our, go to the app, and inside we have the app.js. Okay, this is a home page. Okay, yeah. Okay, so what I need to do here basically, go to the layout.txt. Okay, yeah, I think I need to add here something. Okay, later we need to add here only, I think, made changes. Okay, generated by key. We can remove this title. Okay, yeah, just remove this title. The title name is this. We can add a secure note. Okay, secure note e to e. Okay, encrypted self tr. Okay, notes. Okay, yeah, that's good. And what we can add here, you can add like a privacy and whatever you can wanna add. Okay, just add it. Okay, so I think this is okay, and later we will do here, we need to add our toast. Okay, yeah, uh, for the toast we need to add here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so actually we can add right now. I think toaster is from out sooner. Okay, yeah. So we have already installed our sooner. Okay, yeah, so let's first import it. Okay, yeah. I think toaster, oh, I am not getting that. Okay, yeah. So let me check if I have the toaster or not. Okay, go to the component. I think UI, and I have the sooner or not. Okay, I think I don't have. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I think let's create our sooner. Okay, yeah, let's create our sooner. So how we can do here, just sooner dot tsx. Okay, yeah. So of course this is our client component. Okay, yeah. So use client, and we need to import our toaster. Okay, yeah. We can import this as a sooner. Okay, yeah, from sooner. Okay, so I think I need to add the types here as well, but yeah, just as of now you can ignore. Okay, yeah. So I think let's install it. Okay, let's install basically. Okay, just copy this here and add a sooner. Okay, yeah. What I'm getting basically, note types are sooner, not found. Okay, yeah, note that you can also install. Okay, let's ignore it. Okay, I jump now. So what I'm getting here basically, we need to create a function. Okay, for the toaster. Okay, yeah, toaster, and of course we have some props. Okay, so toaster props. Okay, yeah. Okay, so just make it like this. Okay, yeah. Just return. Okay, just return, and yeah, what we can do here, sooner. Okay, not in this, like this way. Okay, that's good. Okay, so we can pass here multiple things. Okay, yeah, we can pass here. Actually we need to show all the messages, so just show their props here. Okay, yeah, as well. Okay, I think this is good. Oh, the problem is we have added one more. Okay, yeah. So it must be an array type. Okay, yeah. Okay, what I need pass here. Okay, basically we can pass here theme. Okay, yeah. So theme should be dark. Okay, yeah, theme is dark. We can pass here some class name. Okay, the class name is the toaster. Okay, sorry. Okay, no need any comma here. Okay, yeah. Toaster and group. If you are not understanding this, okay, just ignore it. Okay, basically not ignore it, just write what I'm writing. Okay, yeah. And here as well some toast option we can add here. Okay, yeah, some toast option we can add here. So I think we need to add a class name here. Okay, that is a toast. Okay, yeah. So what we can do here, okay, add a group. Okay, toast is a, okay, group toast group, mm, okay, dot toaster. Okay, yeah, dot toaster, and we can add some background slide. Okay, yeah, background slide. I think I need to copy it from my GitHub. Okay, yeah. Okay, you can just, it will take just a second. Okay, yeah. Okay, GitHub from okay, just open it here maybe. Okay, I made, yeah, E2E. Okay, yeah, I think I have that already. Yeah, I have that. And go to the main. Okay, yeah, component UI, and inside I have that sono.tss. Okay, yeah, I don't know why I don't get this. Okay, right, yeah. So now I can explain it to you basically. Okay, okay. So using this sonar. Okay, yeah, I have getting some, basically I can pass here multiple props. Okay, yeah, what we can pass here, there is a theme should be dark. There is some class name toaster and group, it is already there inside toast, inside sooner. Okay, the class name should be group toast. Okay, you can okay, the access button, the cancel button, basically there is some color differentiation. Okay, yeah. Okay, so you can basically just go to Google and type a sooner. Okay, yeah, npmi sooner, it will show everything. Okay, yeah, they you will, okay, let me show you. Okay, you can see here basically the toaster is already, I think I need to open the documentation. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is the button, go to the toaster. This is also visible toast 9, like this we can pass some multiple things here. Okay, yeah, positions, offsets, and yeah, there is a theme as well. Okay, which I am passing it like a, as a dark. Okay, yeah. So you can see here basically we have the multiple things which we can pass here basically. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's good. Don't worry, you will get this code. Okay, in my description. Okay, so just copy it from there and use it here. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's move inside is to next part. Okay, yeah, our home page. So close everything here. Okay, yeah, and just try to open our page. Okay, yeah, npm run dev. Okay, yeah. Okay, sorry, I think I not written completely. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's wait for the opening. Okay, yeah. I think let's go to the inside our index.js file. Okay, yeah, global.css. I think we don't need this. Okay, Tailwind CSS is already import. I think let's leave it as it is. Okay, if we get any problem, then we will remove it here. Okay, yeah. I think I need to change our config here. Okay, yeah. I think here. Okay, yeah. So first I need to remove the basically strict mode. Okay, yeah. For that, what we can do here, basically, I think I have the React strict mode. Okay, yeah, just make it false. Okay, yeah, by default inside Next.js it's already false. Okay, there is a experimental things here. Okay, so inside experimental we can pass a server. Okay, server component HMR package. Okay, I think external package. Okay, yeah, of course we are using here external package. The name of the package is mongoose. Okay, yeah, so we need to tell to our Next.js, hey, this you have the experimental something. Okay, yeah, I am gonna use it. Okay, I am using the some external package. The name of the package is mongoose. Okay, yeah, okay, that's good. So I am getting some error. Okay, why I am getting this error? Let me check over here. Okay, yeah, React is not defined. Okay, where I am getting this error, man? Okay, I think it's close. Okay, yeah, let me again. Okay, run again. Yeah. Okay, so what is telling basically experimental dot server component external package has been moved to server external. Please update your okay, yeah, it will work. You can update it. Okay, yeah, yeah, that's good. So let's update it here as well. Okay, yeah, I think it's working. You can update it. Okay, so go to the config here. I think what is suggest server external. Okay, yeah, server external. I don't see external. Okay, am I seeing like what is okay, yeah, let's leave it as it is. Okay, yeah, leave it as it is. Okay, okay, so go to the layout file. I think I have accidentally added some text here. Okay, yeah, so yeah, okay, that's good. Yeah, so now we are getting the page. Okay, so I need to just remove this whole file and just let's create a new one. Okay, go to the page.tsx. Okay, yeah, just remove the complete. Okay, yeah, RFC. Okay, now I have the page here, so I just remove this page. Okay, let's create name as it is, name a create host. Okay, yeah, also just leave it as a home. Okay, yeah, okay, control A, RAFCE, make it home. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so what we need to do first, we need to create our background and all. Okay, yeah, so I think now I am not getting anything here. Okay, yeah, that's good. So let's add some class name here. Okay, some class here. Basically first take the whole width which is available in our screen. Okay, yeah, use a gradient color from to br, and from what we need to use, basically we are going to use the slat. Okay, and slash 9000 be a purple. Okay, yeah, and purple is 9000. Okay, yeah, that's good. To slat 9000. Okay, okay, so I think now we are getting that, and what we have previous. Okay, as you can see their background color as now both are same. Okay, yeah, that's good. Now we are getting the background color. Okay, yeah, so what we need to do next, create a div and the class is okay. Yeah, sorry, the class I need to remove here. Okay. Okay, so this is our main container inside, so I think I need to add the container as well. Okay, container, add some margin which is auto. Okay, margin auto, take some padding x and y axis. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I am going to create another one, so just create a one more div here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so the class name add here, maximum width we are going to add 4 XL. Okay, yeah, auto, that's good. Now we going to create a header. Okay, yeah. So what is the header of our page? Okay, so the secure nodes and end-to-end encrypted nodes that self-destruct after reading. Okay, yeah. So as you can see here we have this. Okay, so this is our header. Okay, so let's create our header here. Okay, yeah. So create one more div inside here. What we need to add, create a one more div here. Okay, yeah. So we need an icon, we need shield icon. Okay, shield icon from Lucid React. Okay, yeah. So I think I have that icon. It's not visible yet. Okay, yeah, let's create something. Okay, yeah. So for that I think we need to add some class name. We are going to make it center as well. Okay, so just add a text center, and I have added some margin here. Okay, yeah. Add some class name here. The class name should be flex. Okay, and all the item need to be center. Okay, yeah. And justify center. Okay, yeah, I think this is okay. Just add some margin here. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so now our shield icon is visible. Okay, so you can see here there is also a shield icon. Okay, so I need to make it more bigger and bigger. Okay, yeah, so let's do it. Okay, yeah. So we need to add some class here. Okay, yeah, so add some class name here. Basically the width is 12, height is 12. Okay, yeah. Text is of course purple. We can add the purple 4000. Okay, yeah, 400, and margin right is 3. Okay, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so now we are getting exactly the same color. Okay, here. Okay, yeah. So what we need to next, we need to add here h1 or okay, yeah. So what we have inside h1, just copy it from here, secure nodes. Okay, yeah. Now we are getting that. Okay, yeah, secure nodes. I need to add some css here. Okay, yeah. So just make it bigger. Class name text, it's a 4 XL. Okay, yeah, it's a 4 XL. Font should be bold. Okay, yeah, font should be bold. Text is white. Okay, so now you can see it's exactly same. Okay, both are exactly same. Okay, yeah, secure nodes here. Okay, yeah. So what I need to do, add here, basically we have this, I need some paragraph which will tells this. Okay, yeah, so just okay, from here just copy this. Okay, and just paste it here. Okay, yeah, now you have this actually. Okay, so this looks too ugly. Okay, I need to make it same as it is. Okay, yeah. So nothing much we need to do, just increase the size of this and the color of. Okay, the text let add 3000. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, yeah, sorry, I accidentally. Okay, so okay, now you can see both are looks exactly same. Okay, end-to-end encrypted nodes that self-destruct after reading. Okay, yeah. So I think the header part is completed. Okay, yeah, now I am showing some features here. Okay, yeah, there is some features here, end-to-end encrypted, self-destructing, zero knowledge. Okay, yeah, so let's quickly make this. Okay, yeah, sorry, I don't need this. Okay, sorry. So this is our header part. Okay, yeah, that is completed. So I think I can do it like this. Okay, yeah. So now we are going to add some features here. Okay, yeah, and the features are those three cards. Okay, yeah. So create a div here. Okay, and we are going to use the class name here. Okay, yeah, class name is the grid. Okay, use the grid basically for the medium, divide into 3 columns. Okay, yeah, that's good. Add some gap here. Yeah, of course we need to gap, add some gap and add some margin from 12. Okay, yeah, from the bottom. Okay, yeah. So now we need to card. Okay, we have the card. Okay, downloaded, we have the we already downloaded the card from the ShadCN UI. Okay, so what we need to just import it. So I think we need to some couple of things also imported here. Okay, yeah, so just import card from the ShadCN UI. Okay, yeah, that's good. Also we need card content as well. Okay, yeah, card content, and also I need card description. Okay, and I need the card header as well. Okay, a card header. Okay, and title as well. Okay, yeah, card title as well. Okay, yeah, that's good. So as of now, just let's create a card over here. Okay, yeah. Card. Okay, yeah, that's good. So inside card I need to add the card content. Okay, yeah, so using this. Okay, so inside card content we what we can do add here basically, I think card header, I don't think I need the card header, but yeah, let it be there. Okay, yeah. Okay, okay. So inside card content what we can do basically, we have an icon. Okay, we have one icon and then some text, after that some paragraph. Okay, yeah, that's good. And this icon is the lock icon. Okay, yeah. So just I need to create a div. Okay, yeah, inside div I exactly same I develop here basically. I need to just import the icon and later need some s3 or s2 whatever you make. Okay, yeah, so let's do it now. Okay, yeah. So inside div I need the icon from lucid react. Okay, yeah, already we have the lucid react. Okay, I think I'm not getting, yeah, lock, yeah, from the lucid react. Okay, that's good. So I think, yeah, lock is visible. Okay, and the background is white. It looks too ugly. Okay, yeah, so let's first fix the background here. Okay, yeah, so we can add background from here. Class name, just make the background is slate gray. Okay, yes, SLAT slate and 8000 by 50. Okay, yeah, now you can see it's some gray color. Okay, yeah, and border also add some border here, select 7000. Okay, yeah, now you can see it looks good. Okay, yeah, it's quite similar as it is. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now I need to do basically, there is a icon also in a purple color. Okay, so I need to make it purple color as well. Okay, yeah, so add some here class name. Okay, so what I can add here basically, give them some width and height. Okay, yeah, and text should be purple. Okay, and I can make it like a 4000. Okay, 400. Okay, that's good. And I need to also add some margin right. I have added some margin right. Basically we are going to add some content after the lock. Okay, yeah, now you can see the lock is also purple color. Okay, yeah, so create a s3. Okay, and I need to this basically end to end encrypted. Okay, yeah, that's good. Just add it here. Okay, yeah. Okay, now you can see we need to also add some flex here. Okay, flex property, so let's add it here. So class name basically, what I can do here, make a flex, make it item center. Okay, yeah, and let me check what I can do here basically, yeah, that's good. Okay, let's add some CSS here. Okay, it looks so ugly. So what I can do here, add a class name. So just font is just semi bold. Okay, yeah, font is just semi bold, and I can add a text is white. Okay, I think now it looks better. Okay, yeah, you can see here both are look same. Okay, yeah. So now what I can do, basically I need to add the paragraph. Okay, yeah. So inside paragraph, what I need to add here, just copy it from here. Your notes are encrypted. Okay, your notes are encrypted in your browser before being sent to our servers. Okay, yeah, now you can see here, I think, yeah, it still looks too ugly. Okay, I need to also add some margin here. Okay, yeah, so let's do it. mm, we can add some margin bottom. I think now it's good. Okay, and just made some changes here. Okay, yeah, the class name is text slide. Okay, yeah, and 4000 the color, and make this small. Okay, yeah, I think now it looks better. Okay, it's exactly same here. Okay, yeah, both are same. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I think what I need to do here, just copy and paste it 3 times. Okay, yeah, so I think first control S, I need to just copy this card. Okay, and 3 times. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I need to just change these icons. Okay, so in second we have the icon. I think the name of this icon is jab. Okay, yeah, so go to the second, what I can try add here, jab. Okay, yeah, from the lucid react. And okay, the self-destructing is coming. Okay, sorry, the icon is coming. Okay, so in second, what I need to add, self-destructing. Okay, yeah. Okay, control V, and in paragraph, what I need to add here, okay, notes are automatically deleted after read once. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now you can see this is also okay. Next is third one is the this icon. Okay, I think this icon sealed. Okay, this is the sealed. Okay, yeah, so we have already this icon. Okay, I think, yeah, sealed. And what I need to add here, there is a zero knowledge. Okay, yeah, zero knowledge. And also the paragraph is we never have access or encrypted content. Okay, yeah, that's true. Okay, so now you can see here both are same. Okay, both are looks exactly same. Okay, yeah, that's good. So I think we need to add some padding here. Okay, that's why this looks more better. Okay, it has more spaces than here. Okay, yeah, let me do it. Okay, yeah. So what I can do here, I can add some padding here. Basically inside card content, just add a padding 6. Okay, and just copy it and add everywhere. Okay, I think it looks same. It might be make. Okay, so I think now both are exactly same. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so padding 6, basically I think it's a padding 6 is okay or not, maybe. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, yeah, it's good. Okay, okay, so the our header parties and our features is completed. Okay, yeah. Okay, so what I need to add here. Okay, so I think first I need to create a variable. Okay, basically you can see here, when I enter any sensitive data here. Okay, if I enter any sensitive data here, I am getting a one URL. Okay, yeah, let's wait for a moment. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now I am getting one URL. So basically I need to create a state for that. If we have the shareable URL, so show this, and otherwise see this. Okay, yeah. So I think first I need to create a okay, so let's create here first. Okay, yeah. So what I need to connect here, create here, basically const shareable link. Okay, yeah, if this is true, then we do else. Okay, yeah, shareable link. Okay, I think I need shareable, share able shareable link, and yeah, set shareable link. Just copy it here, okay, and paste it here, and make this capital. Okay, yeah. So as of now, make it empty. Okay, yeah, I think use state is also not import. Okay, yeah, okay. So using this, what I can do here, okay, I can show here other form. I need to show the form, or I need to show the shareable link. Okay, yeah, okay. So this could be our main content area. Okay, yeah, okay. So here what I need to do here, basically first need to check. Okay, yeah, sorry. So I need to check if the shareable link is available or not. If it is true, I need to show this, otherwise I'm going to show this. Okay, yeah. So as of now our share link is not true. Okay, so what I need to show here, basically, okay, so if is it not true, basically the shareable link is empty. So I need to show the form. Okay, yeah. So let's add here one more div. I think the error code. Okay, hello. And also I need to add here something, the okay, now we are not showing any error. Okay, yeah. So as of now shareable link is not true. Okay, so now we need to add a card here. Okay, yeah, okay. So here you are seeing, basically there is a, okay, sorry, create another one, go here, this is card. Okay, yeah, you are importing a component that needs use state, the this react hook only. Okay, yeah, I need to make it client. Okay, yeah, okay. So okay, just go to the top and make a client component. Okay, yeah, that's good. So I think now error are gone. Okay, yeah, okay, that's good. So now I have a card here. Okay, yeah, that's good. So what I can here, basically I have a card header. Okay, create a secure node. Okay, yeah. So card header, okay. So inside card header I have a card title as well. Okay, yeah, okay. I have card title, and also I have the card description as well. Okay, yeah, okay. So inside card header what we have, okay, so go to here, create a secure node. Okay, yeah. So this is our title. Okay, and the description is, write your message below, it will be encrypted and can only read once. Okay, yeah. So this is our card description. Okay, yeah, I think now you are okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, let's write everything, then move to write css. Okay, yeah. So this is our card description, basically our card header is completed. Okay, now we have the card content. Okay, yeah, okay. So inside our card content we have multiple thing. Okay, yeah, inside our card content, okay, sorry, we have the your message and a one input field. Okay, yeah, and a create secure node button. Okay, yeah. So let's make it as it is. Okay, first add some css here. Okay, yeah. So I think also I need to add class name. Okay, same as it is, bg gray. Okay, bg flat 800 divided by 50. Okay, yeah. And also we need to add a border slat. Okay, 7000. Okay, yeah, that's good. Now you can see the border is like same as it is. Okay, here the border you are seeing, the border is same. I need to just make it color as white. Okay, yeah. So just add some class here. Okay, yeah. So the class name should be basically just make this white as well. Okay, I don't think need to do anything here. Okay, yeah. Also I need to add some class here for the text color. Okay, text let the 4400. Okay, yeah. Okay, now you can see here it looks good. Okay, yeah. So inside card content we have multiple things. Okay, yeah. So I need to create a first div for that. Okay, yeah, just create a div for that, and I need to import a label. Okay, yeah. And that label from the UI. Okay, yeah. That the component UI label. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay, so our label is getting, I think the label is your message. Okay, yeah. So okay, let's open it here. What I can do here, basically I can copy it. Okay, I'm not able to copy it. Okay, yeah, I am not able to just let's write it. Okay, by your. So your message. Okay, yeah, I think now I'm getting this. Go to here. Yeah, your message is visible. Okay, yeah. So after this your message I need a text area. Okay, of course I need text area, so just import text area from UI component. Okay, yeah. So let's add some ID here. Okay, I need to add some ID, like I can add node content. Okay, yeah, that's good. Also need to add some placeholder. The placeholder should be type your secret message here. Okay, type your secret message here. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, later we need to add the value and on change method. Okay, yeah, good. So this is, I think, looks good, but we need to make more thing. Okay, I think I need some space from a y direction, so let's add here. Okay, yeah. So class name space y4. Okay, I think now it's a better spacing. Okay, yeah, now it's a better spacing. Also I need to increase this input box. Okay, yeah. So let's add some css here. Okay, yeah. So class name add a minimum height. It's of course 200 px. Okay, not 200 px. Yeah, let's add it 200 px. Okay, yeah, it's good. Okay. Okay, so this is our minimum height basically. So okay, I think now I'm getting this. Okay, yeah, okay, that's good. So now we have the our minimum height. Okay, I think your message I need to add some css here. Okay, yeah. So I can add here a class, just make it white. Okay, yeah, I think that will work. Okay, yeah. Okay, I have added text white. Why? Okay, sorry, my mistake. Okay, so now it looks good. Okay, yeah. So I think the input box is ready. Okay, but I need to add some css here, as you can see here. Okay, here I have this. Basically I need to add some border color, and need to change this color, and this is coming. Okay, yeah. Okay, so how can I add? Basically I have added the minimum height. Okay, yeah. Also I need to change the background color. Okay, as well. So 9000 by 50. Okay, yeah. Border flat 600. Okay, yeah. Need to add text white. Okay, yeah, that's good. Text is white, and the placeholder I can add text slat. Okay, 500, and I can add the focus. Of course the border is purple. Okay, yeah, border it's a purple, and I did. Okay, so not a pink. Okay, yeah, I think everybody like pinks. Okay, yeah, like pink. Oh, that's good. Okay, I think now it's good. Okay, yeah, now it's a good, and yeah, that's okay. So what I can add here, I think inside cart content, that's good. Okay, text is slide. Okay, I think this okay, maybe write it here something. Okay, yeah, it looks good. Okay, let's write here as well. Okay, but there is just some difference here. Okay, yeah. So what I need to do here, basically bg slat 9000 by 50. Okay, border slat 6000. I think it's a good. Text is white. Okay, okay, I think our global css creating some problem. Okay, yeah, go to the global css. If I remove this, okay, yeah, okay, if I remove this, I think okay, now, okay, now it's okay. Okay, yeah, I think it's not, still not exactly same. Okay, yeah. Okay, the color is good. Okay, yeah. I think I have added a 8000 here. Okay, yeah, go to here. BG slat is 8000 by 50. Okay, yeah, border slat 700. Okay, that's good. Let's make another. Okay, yeah, I think we have the now text area. Okay, now we have text area. I need to add only one things, the button. Okay, yeah, so I think I need to take the button from UI component. Okay, yeah, the button is here. Okay, yeah, so let's add here. What I need to add here, basically I need to create a one more loading state. Okay, yeah. So if the creating is true, then create second node, otherwise just show a loader. Okay, yeah, so let's do it. Const if the creating is true. Okay, yeah, set creating. Okay, set is creating. Okay, that's the good way. Okay, so initially I need to add it false. Okay, yeah, use state false. Okay, yeah. So what I need to check here, basically, okay, so if this true, okay, if the is creating is true, so what I need to show here, basically the secure node is creating. Okay, yeah. Okay, so what I can show here, creating secure node. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's good. Otherwise what I can show here, create your secure node. Okay, yeah, secure node. I think now what I see here, basically I have the create your secure node. Okay, yeah, here. Okay, yeah, and the button is here completely. Okay, yeah. So what I made a mistake, I think the background color is not properly handled. Okay, yeah, so I think what I can do here, basically inside card content, I think I what I can do here, basically, okay, um okay, I think I need to add here. Okay, let me do it. Okay, let's add it, then check. Okay, yeah, so class name, I can add here space by 4. Okay, yeah, and I think I can add here 2. Okay, yeah, now let me check here. I think it's look good. Okay, 4 and 2. Okay, yeah, that's good. I think it's exactly same. Okay, yeah, now I need to add a background color. Okay, the background color is not okay, so basically why background color is not properly, bg slat 8800 by 50 and border slat is 700. Okay, yeah. Okay, okay, let's leave it as it is. Okay, yeah, later we'll resolve it. Okay, so create secure node. Okay, so our button is coming here. Okay, yeah, but I need to make it like this. Okay, create secure node. So how we can make it? Okay, let's add some CSS here. Okay, so I think first we need to add take a complete width. Okay, yeah, so just take complete width. Okay, yeah, I think now it's take the whole width. Okay, that's good. So what I can add here, basically take the background color is purple. Okay, so maybe 6000 it's work. Okay, yeah, okay, that's good. Now it's coming. So I think BG slate 9000. Okay, okay, I think that's the problem. Okay, I need to add here. Okay, I'm thinking like why I am not getting that. Okay, yeah, now you can see it's exactly same. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so they create secure node. Okay, yeah, so I need to add the text is white. Okay, the text should be white. Okay, yeah, okay, text should be white. And hover, I need to change some color here. When it's a hover, just make the BG purple 7000. Okay, yeah, okay, also I need to add the cursor pointer. Okay, yeah, cursor pointer. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so I think now it's as it is. Okay, now it's the same. Okay, yeah, so let's make it basically working as well. Okay, yeah, so how we can do it? Basically I need to add some button here. Okay, on click. Okay, yeah, basically already button is added. I need some function here. Okay, so for the click, when I click this, so I need to create a node. Okay, so I need to create node. Okay, yeah, I think I made a mistake here. create create. Okay, so I need to create node. Okay, yeah, okay, so let's create this. Okay, go to here and create a function, name is create node. Okay, const create node, basically just copy it here. Okay, yeah, sorry. That, okay, const create node. Okay, equal to, of course we are going to use async, and yeah, that's good. Okay, so also what I need to do, basically where we are going to save our content, so need to create const content. Okay, yeah, const content set content. Okay, initially I can add okay, I can make it as a empty. Okay, yeah, so let's add it here. Okay, where this is happen as basically content is where. Okay, yeah, so I need to add it here. Okay, yeah, the text area. What I can do here, basically value equal to content. Okay, yeah, also I need to add a on change method as well. Okay, yeah, okay, so on the on change, just need to update our set content. Okay, e dot target dot value. Okay, yeah, okay, I think now it's okay. Yeah, no, that's good. Now we are getting that. Okay, of course. So whenever we are coming here, we need to create node if this is not available. Okay, yeah, if the content is not available, absolutely we cannot move forward. Okay, so what we need to check here, if the content is not available. Okay, if the content dot trim, we remove the trailing space. If this is not available, you can directly return here. Okay, yeah, and what we can do here, set is creating is true. Okay, yeah, okay, that's good. Okay, and I need to add a try catch statement. Okay, yeah, for the proper error handling. Okay, yeah, just wait a moment. Okay, So if we are not getting the content, we immediately return it. Okay, yeah. After that, just make a set is true. Okay, that's good. So just save it. Okay, what we are getting from the backend. Okay, yeah. Basically, when we successfully save this. Okay, yeah. So I think before this we need to encrypt our data. Okay, so how I can encrypt it? I need to import that encrypt node. Okay, yeah, and I need to pass this content to there. Okay, yeah, and what I will get from there? Okay, so it is written encrypted content. Okay, yeah, I'm getting the encrypted content. Also I'm getting the IV, I'm getting the salt as well. Okay, yeah, and I think key as well. Okay, yeah, I'm getting that key as well. Okay, yeah. Now what I can do here, basically I need to pass this data. Okay, a bit, just make our API call. Okay, yeah, slash API slash nodes. Okay, I think I need to create this. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, and go to here. Okay, I have already created. Okay, sorry, the request should be post. Okay, the request should be post, and of course the header is, okay, the header should be content. Okay, content type is application slash JSON. Okay, yeah, and in the body what we need to pass, just make it stringify. Okay, yeah, okay. What I can pass first, I need can pass encrypted content. Okay, yeah, encrypted content. Next I need to pass IP, and next I need to pass salt. Okay, yeah, as you can see here, what we are expecting. Okay, we are expecting from the API this. Okay, these three content, basically encrypted content, IP, and salt. Okay, yeah, that's good. So that's why we are passing here these three things. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I think this is ready. Okay, yeah. Okay, if everything okay, basically if the response is okay, that's good. Okay, so get the ID. Okay, we have the ID from this there. A bit response, get the JSON data. Okay, basically using this we are getting our data. Okay, getting the ID. Okay, yeah. So what I need to do here? Okay, I need to basically include this encryption key in the URL fragment, not sent to the server. Okay, yeah. So how can I create this URL? Basically the shareable URL. So const link equal to, okay, just take the current URL from the window. Okay, so window dot location. Okay, not local storage. Okay, yeah, location dot we can get the origin. Okay, yeah, whatever origin. Okay, there the note slash dollar. Okay, yeah, and ID. Okay, yeah, okay. And what I have to include here, I need to include this key as a fragment. Okay, as I told you earlier, we are generating this key, so we need to pass this key to our URL. Okay, as a fragment. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so where I get this key, basically we are getting this key from our encrypted node. Okay, yeah, okay, that's good. Why this is throwing okay, I need to add this dollar sign as well. Okay, yeah. So this is the link. Okay, yeah. So what I need to do here, basically I need to make the set shareable link is true. Okay, yeah, set shareable link is true. Okay, yeah, I need to pass this link, and the set shareable link is true. Okay, also what I can do here, basically just make the set content is empty. Okay, that's good. And so a toast. Okay, yeah, toast dot, sorry, okay. So I think I don't have the toast. Okay, toast we can get from the sooner. Okay, yeah, no issue. First import this. Okay, so import toast from sooner. Okay, yeah, that's good. toast is declared but it's never okay. Sooner implicitly has an any types, so npm I. Okay, I think I need to do this. Okay, just control C and paste it here. Okay, yeah, just open a new terminal. Okay, yeah, how we can open just a new terminal, just paste it here. Okay, yeah. So it is showing is it not in registry. Okay, note that you can also install from a tarbell. Okay, I think yeah, just ignore it for that. Okay, yeah, I think just add a toast or success. Okay, so yeah, after getting this link, after setting the content is empty, we need to also show a toast here. Okay, yeah, so toast dot success. Okay, okay, so toast dot success double c e double s. Okay, what I need to show here the secure note created. Okay, the secure note created okay, successfully. Okay, yeah, the secure note created successfully. Also what we can do here, I can pass here description as well. Okay, yeah, description. Okay, and the description is your encrypted note is ready to share. Okay, yeah, your encrypted note is ready to share. Okay, that's good. Okay, if basically the response is not okay. Okay, if the response is not okay, so also I need to show this. Okay, so just copy this. First get the error data. Okay, yeah, how we can get the error data? Okay, equal to await response.json. Okay, that's good. Dot catch. Okay, yeah, dot catch. Inside there, what we can do here, basically just go here, and yeah, this way you can get that error. Okay, yeah. So what you can show here, basically okay, fail to create note. Okay, yeah, and in description we can show like okay, just add a description error data dot error. Okay, yeah, okay, dot error, or okay, not this. Okay, yeah, or please check your connection. Okay, this is a good message. Okay, and try again, of course, try again. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, okay, so this is good. Inside we need to also handle error if we are going to the cache, basically cache block. What we need to do here? Okay, so I think I need to first add a console here. Okay, yeah, error creating note. Okay, okay, that's good. So I need to show here error. Okay, this is also not a success message, basically this is also a error message. Okay, yeah, I need to copy this and paste it here. Okay, yeah, so the good one I can show here network error. Okay, yeah, and what I can do here, basically also we need to remove this. Okay, from here I can show here basically unable. Okay, unable to connect to the server. Okay, yeah, let them know unable to connect to the server, please try again. Okay, yeah, okay, that's good. So I think I have made a mistake. I think create note is not here. Okay, on the button, let me check. Okay, yeah, I need to pass this here. Okay, yeah, control B. Okay, control Z, create note, crete, create note, create. I think I made, if I remove this, okay, just select this and copy Okay, cannot find the name content. Okay, I think why this is not find, man. I have already created it. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that is okay. I'm getting any error. Okay, so return statement is not allowed here. Okay, where I return it. Okay, I think 66. Okay, go to the 66. Okay, so why the return statement is not allowed here? Okay, what I made a mistake actually, just paste it here. Okay, yeah. Okay, I need to remove this. Okay, yeah, that's right. Now it's okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now it's good. Okay, let's create and see if we are able to create or not. Okay, yeah. Okay, so there is a one error we are getting. This is created successfully. Okay, yeah. The error is failed. But why this is error? Okay, network error. We are getting the network error. Okay, yeah. Toast dot error. Error is undefined. Okay, why I'm getting this, man? The error is undefined. Okay, yeah. No issue. Let me check again. So toast dot error. Okay, yeah. I think this is not working. Go to the here. Okay. I think I forget to add inside our layout JS. Okay, yeah, that's why this is happening. Okay, yeah. So I need to get this toaster here. Okay, yeah. I think now it's good. We cannot resolve sooner. Okay, I think I need to install the sooner as well. Okay, again. Okay, let me install it. npm I sooner. I think I have already installed it, but yeah, I don't know why this is happening. Okay, yeah. Let me check. So still I am getting the error. Okay, module not found. Okay, cannot resolve sooner. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, toaster as a sooner. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me think why we are getting this error. Actually, I'm not supposed. Oh, okay. Okay, so toaster as a sooner. Okay, I think yeah, the sooner. Okay, I'm not. Let me check here. Okay, I think I already searched it. Okay, npm sooner. Yeah, we can directly install it. Okay, npm install sooner. Okay, yeah. Add, we can add this toaster here as well. And what the documentation say? Okay, we can add this toaster here. Okay, yeah. Also just import this toaster and toast.toaster. Okay, this is a toast. Okay, yeah, that's good. What is the code here for that? When I click the on button. Okay, so basic this. Okay, what I can do here, customize. Okay, expandable visible toast. Okay, yeah, let me think, let me check. Okay, yeah. So when I click here, I think okay, the toast is visible, a sonar toast. Okay, yeah, I can add some icon here, but I don't want some icon, so I think this is a simple toast we can show. And okay, just install this sooner. What we can do, we can directly take it toaster from the sooner. Okay, yeah, let's take it. Go to the page.jsx. I think inside layout, don't take the toaster from here. Okay, yeah, just from sooner. Okay, yeah, okay, I think now it's okay. Yeah. Okay, I think now I'm not getting the error. Check the render meter of the root layout. Okay, yeah, that's good. I need to check this. Okay, yeah, but I can add this toaster here as well. Okay, yeah, I don't think it is creating any problem here. No, why this is opening? Element type is invalid. Expect a string for built-in component as a class function but got undefined. You likely forget to export your component for the file is defined. Bixw default and name import. Okay, yeah. So okay, let me check what I can do here. Okay. Okay, let's install any toaster. I think I have a toast one is React hot toast. Okay, yeah, React hot toast. Okay, yeah, just remove it. Okay, yeah. So here, make me a toast. Okay, yeah, that's good. Go to the documentation. I think I can install it directly. So yeah, using npm, just install this here. Okay, yeah, remove this toast. I don't care. Okay, okay, yeah. So just install this. Okay, yeah. So now it is installing. Okay, yeah, I think I can take toaster from the React hot toast. Okay, yeah, so this is installed. What I can do here, just no need to here. Okay, import toaster. Okay, so toaster from the React hot toast. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, npm run dev. Okay, yeah, what you can do, I think I don't care as of now. Okay, as of now or in future. Okay, so okay, just remove this. Okay, no need of this. Okay, no longer we need this. Okay, okay, so now we are getting this actually. Yeah, so what we can do here, basically go to the page.jsx. I think no need to this. I can export from this React hot toast. Okay, yeah. Also what I need to do here, basically I am going to, okay, I'm getting the one error. Okay, yeah, why this error is happening. So okay, sorry. Okay, I think now, okay, so what I can do here, basically okay, toast bar, no, toaster, yeah, okay. So I think I need to do it here. Okay, yeah, just copy it, complete. If success, then primary green. Okay, otherwise if we have the error anything, then we can do here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I need to do, just make it here. Okay, toast was success, that's good. Second node created successfully, your encrypted token is ready to share. Okay, yeah. Okay, I need to just remove the description. Okay, okay, same here as well. I think we can directly show fail to create token. Okay, no issue, just remove it here. Okay, yeah, toast dot error. Okay, no need to show this. Okay, yeah, control s. Also just remove this from here. Okay, So the network error. Okay, yeah, I think now we are good to go. Okay, let's try to create one. Okay, yeah, I think just create this and type here. I think, yeah, we are creating. Also we need to disable this. Okay, yeah, so secure node created successfully, your encrypted node is ready to share. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so now I'm able to create the node. Okay, yeah, that's good. So secure node created successfully. I need to show proper text. Okay, yeah, it created successfully. Okay, also what I can do here, I think I need to change it, not top center, it's bottom right. Okay, yeah, I think bottom right. Okay, yeah, this is good maybe. Okay, yeah, okay, fail to create token. Okay, why I'm getting this, man? Okay, let me try again. Okay, yeah, okay, fail to create token. Why? Okay, it is responding as a 500. Okay, yeah, why this is happening, I think. Okay, can I overwrite? Okay, node model once compiled. Okay, I think I need to add this. Okay, yeah, let me check, and I think I need to do it this. Okay, yeah, so what I can do here, okay, um, I need to one more URL. Okay, yeah, mongoose dot model. Okay, yeah, dot node. Okay, if the node is already compiled, okay, then we can return this. Okay, directly. Let me create once again. Okay, yeah, okay, let's wait for the, let's restart it. Okay, yeah, okay, now let's create it. Okay, yeah, okay, now secure node is created successfully, or encrypted node is ready to share. Okay, that's good. Now we are able to create everything. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, and yeah, I am able to show this hello. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so I am getting this. Actually, go to this page.js. I think if the shareable link is not true, so I am just showing this hello. Okay, yeah, that's why this happened. Okay, so let's create like this. Okay, yeah, here I have created a, create the secure node. Okay, yeah, let's wait for a moment. Okay, so I need to create this. Okay, yeah, so I think everything is same, the button and everything. I need to just make some changes. Okay, yeah, so what I need to do here, I can do basically just copy it completely from here. Okay, yeah, so I can do here, I need can copy it completely from here and make some changes. Okay, yeah, control V. Okay, yeah, okay, so I need to make a refresh. Okay, hard refresh. Okay, so what I can do here, basically just as of now, just change this condition. Okay, yeah, if the shareable condition is true, I think if this is true, okay, if this is true, okay, shareable link is true. Okay, yeah, okay, okay, I think everything both are same. That's why I'm getting the, okay, I'm confused why this is showing. Okay, yeah, So you can check here. I think I need to just change the title. Okay, yeah. So go to here. I need to copy this title. Your secure note is ready. Okay, yeah, that's good. So what I can do here, remove this. Okay, yeah, and paste it here. Okay, yeah. So your secure note is ready. Okay, yeah, that's good. Also I need to change this message as well. Okay, share this link. Okay, so I think this is our description for this card. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we are getting this. Okay, that's good. Okay, so what I can do here, basically the that is okay. Okay, yeah, but basically if we have the input, okay, that's good. And the instead of your message I need to write a shareable link. Okay, yeah, shareable link. Okay, yeah, now it's good. Okay, yeah, let's check here. Okay, so this is okay, shareable link, we are getting the shareable link. Okay, yeah. So also what I can do here, basically on the shareable link I need to add some HTML form also. Okay, okay, one second, I think I forgot to add here HTML form here. Okay, yeah. So in the label, HTML form, what I can do add here, I can add here node content. Okay, yeah, that's good. So same what I can do here, basically here we are need to change it. Okay, we can write is shareable link. Okay, yeah, shareable link. Okay, yeah, shareable link. Okay, that's good. I think, yeah, that's good. Okay, so the shareable link is okay. Okay, yeah, that's good. Text is white, like, okay. Okay, and what I can change here, go to the HTML form, we can write this. Okay, yeah, text is white, I think, good. Maybe both are same. Okay, the shareable link, but I need to change here basically this. Okay, yeah, content. So okay, so text area, basically so everything is okay, basically the label is okay. I can change it like a okay, basically also we need the button which will copy the content from our screen. Okay, yeah. So what I need to do here, basically remove this text area. I think I can make it input as a input field. Okay, yeah, as a input. Okay, yeah, I think, oh, yeah, of course take it from the UI component. Okay, yeah, ID is okay, value, I think the shareable link is value. Okay, should be, yeah, the shareable link is the value, no need to out change. Okay, yeah, and any placeholder, I don't think so any placeholder needed. Okay, yeah, what I can do here, basically it is only read. Okay, you can read only, of course, yeah. So I think it looks okay. Now you can see we cannot add anything here, we can read only. Okay, we have the only read only access. Okay, yeah. So also I need to change the class name here, you can say here. Okay, this is height and width, everything. So I need to remove this height and width. I think just remove it, everything. Okay, let's make it okay, yeah. So now what I need to add here, just add a border here. Okay, yeah, border is let 6000. Okay, yeah, that's good. And text is white. Okay, and add some hover here, bg slat. Okay, yeah, of course slat, and yeah, 7000. Okay, not 7000, it's at 700. Okay, that's good. I think now we have one. Okay, yeah, it looks quite same. Okay, yeah. Also what I need to do here, the button is okay. Yeah, button is okay. I need to just remove this variant. Okay, yeah, variant, what I can do here, outline. Okay, yeah, and I think border slat, also I need to remove this as well. Okay, yeah. What I can add here, border is slat. Okay, it is slat 6000, basically 600, not 6000. Text is white, of course. On hover, the color need to be changed. Okay, basically this could be an icon. Okay, yeah, so this could be an icon, that's why I'm looking this. Okay, yeah, so no need of this. Okay, what I can do here, basically we have a copy button from to read. Okay, yeah, okay, just wrap it in one. Okay, yeah, I can add some class name here. Width is 4, of course the height is also 4, and yeah, margin right is 2. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, now you can see here, I think, yeah, I have the button. Okay, yeah, this here. Okay, okay, that's good. If the copied is true, okay, so if the copied is true, also I need to create this variable here also. Yeah, const copied. Okay, yeah, const copied, set copied. Okay, yeah, set copied. And what we can do here, use state. Okay, and make it false. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so if the copied is true, so what I can do here, okay, let's go there. Okay, yeah, just make this changes. Okay, just make the text change. Okay, if the copy is true, so we need to show copied. Okay, yeah, otherwise show the copy. Okay, that's good. Now it's okay. Now what we need to do, basically we need to create a function which will take the content and copy to our clipboard. Okay, yeah, so just write a copy to clipboard. Okay, yeah, okay, okay, okay. So what I can do here, basically go to here. Okay, yeah, okay, let's create a function. Okay, yeah, const control B. Okay, let me also async. Okay, so try and catch. Also we can add here try catch. Okay, yeah, this is a good way. Okay, this is good one. Okay, so we have already a navigator. Okay, navigator dot clipboard. Okay, sorry, not clear app badge. Okay, go to the clipboard, and I need to write some text. Okay, inside our clipboard. Okay, the text is the shareable link. Okay, of course the shareable link. Okay, so what can do here, just make the set copy is true. Okay, not this, set copy is true. Okay, I think initially the set copy is false. Okay, yeah, that's good. What I can add here, set timeout. Okay, set copied false here. Okay, yeah, after 2 okay, 2 millisecond. Okay, that's good. And we can show a success message. The success message should be link copied to clipboard. Okay, yeah, okay, so I think that's good. We are getting, if we are getting some error, no need to console. Okay, I think just show a toast message. Okay, what we can show, fail to copy link. Okay, and also we can check here like so please copy the link manually. Okay, yeah, manually if there is a problem to copy this clipboard. Okay, yeah, I think that's good. Now we are able to this. I think I need to move this button here. Okay, yeah, the button should be here. Yeah, okay, okay, so what we need to do here, basically, okay, the second one. Okay, so this div have a, okay, label. I think I have the shareable link. Okay, yeah, so I need to this div and button. Okay, inside a, okay, this button and input, I need to make a div and paste here. Okay, yeah. And what I can do here, just add a class name. The class should be flex and adding some space to the x. Okay, yeah, I think 2, that's good. Okay, let me check. Okay, now you can see there's a we have getting this properly. Okay, yeah. The space is not properly. Okay, I think the space. Okay, yeah. Okay, now you can get this properly. Okay, yeah. The shareable link and the copy. Also I have some paragraph here. Okay, yeah, important. This link will only work once after this. Okay, yeah. Also I need to create another this. Okay, okay, create another node here. Okay, which will trigger the reset form. Okay, yeah. So what I need to do here, basically, okay, the DB is completed. Okay, yeah. So outside of this, okay, yeah, this is our button. I think I need inside card button. Okay, yeah, it's good. Add a div here. Okay, yeah, inside I need to add a paragraph here. The paragraph should be okay, just copy it from here. Okay, the paragraph should be this, control B. Okay, yeah, and I can add it inside strong. Okay, yeah, strong tag, basically this or okay, X and here. Okay, yeah. So this is your paragraph. I think I'm getting this properly. Okay, yeah, this is your paragraph. Okay, I need to add some CSS here. Okay, yeah. So what I can do here, basically, first add some class here for the CS styling. Okay, so class name should be text amber. Okay, yeah, and it's a 2000. Okay, yeah, I think now text is converted. Okay, that's good. And looks like text is very huge. Okay, so I think I can add a text SM. Now it's quite better. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's good. I need to add some background color. Okay, yeah. So how we can add using this? Okay, so class name bg, add some button. So amber. Okay, amber. Okay, sorry, 9000 upon 20. Okay, yeah. I can add some border here. Border amber. Okay, and it's a 700. Okay, that's good. And also it's a rounded large. Okay, and padding it should be 4. Okay, yeah. So I think now it's looks same, but I need to add some content here as well. Okay, I think there is a button here as well. Okay, you can see here there is a button. Okay, yeah. Okay, maybe padding is not applied. Okay, rounded large. Okay, the paragraph is okay. I think inside tip. Okay, so let's add our button as well. Okay, yeah. So I have the button already. Okay, yeah. So here just simple add a create another node. Okay, yeah. So whenever people create another node, so what I can do here, create a button, basically pass a function which will reset our form. Okay, so automatically go there. Okay, yeah. Variant should be of course outline. Okay, yeah. And I need some class as well. So class, we need to take whole width, border and slat and 6000. Okay, and text is white. Okay, hour should be bg slat. Okay, and the 700. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we don't have the reset form. Okay, so let's define it. Let's create it here. Okay, yeah. So const reset form. Okay, yeah, is equal to okay, set serial link, of course make it empty. Okay, yeah. If the content is available, also make this empty. Okay, and also what I can do, so a toast message. Okay, toast dot success. I think need to success, I think toast.info. Okay, yeah, maybe the info is available or not. Maybe toast.success. Okay, so this, okay, no issue. Toast.success ready for a node. Okay, yeah, that's good, let's do it. Okay, I think this is okay. Now we have this. Also I can add a cursor pointer here. Okay, yeah, cursor pointer. Okay, and same I can add, no issue, I think this is good. Okay, quite good. Okay, so let's try. Okay, yeah, I think I need to make this again. Okay, now you can see here we are getting our form here. Okay, yeah, just add some here, creating secure nodes. Okay, okay, why I am getting this, actually failed to create error nodes. I don't know why this is happening. Basically node model once compiled, overwrite model error. Okay, yeah, mongoose dot model I note. Okay, okay, let me do something else. Okay, yeah, why I'm getting this, let's again check. Okay, property node does not exist on the type. Okay, extend schema any. Okay, options undefined. So what I can do here, basically I have the node schema. Okay, that's good. Auto delete, basically I think this is working for me. Okay, yeah, mongoose dot model dot node. Okay, property node does not exist, type schema extend schema equal to any. Okay, yeah, okay, sorry, I think okay, I made a mistake. Basically I need to add a s here. Okay, now it is working. Okay, yeah, let me check again. Okay, yeah, let me check again. And I think one more thing, it's a still create securing node. Okay, why this is happening? I think I have forget to add the set. Okay, set is creating false. Okay, yeah, so here I need to add this set is creating false. Actually add a finally block here. Okay, yeah, so inside finally I can add it here. Okay, yeah, false. Okay, that's good. Now create nodes. Okay, yeah, okay, now you can see the secure node is created, your encrypted node is ready to share. Okay, yeah, so 3000 node. Okay, this is our basically URL. Okay, just copy it. Okay, link copy to successfully, that's good. What I can do here, I am just paste it here. Okay, yeah, so 404, this page could not be found. Why this is happening? Basically we are not created this page. Okay, yeah, so slash nodes and slash id. Okay, so let's quickly create this page to getting the data. Okay, yeah, so how we can create, basically our go to this. Okay, go to here and inside app. Okay, yeah, inside app how we can create our folder. The folder name is node. Okay, yeah, that's good. And inside node also we can create folder. The folder should be this. Okay, yeah, and then we create a file. The file name is okay, the page.jsx. Okay, not page.jsx, page.tsx. Okay, yeah, that's good. So I think here we need to do a lot of work. Okay, yeah, so let's create okay, so I think first whenever we come this code. Okay, basically in this page. Okay, yeah, what do we need to first? Okay, we need to first fetch the node id and get the encrypted key from the URL and just extracting the data, okay, from there. So let me check here. Okay, first what I am going to here do. Okay, so use effect. Okay, yeah, of course I need this. What I need to do here first here. Okay, I think I need to pass a empty dependency. Okay, yeah, of course. And again it is depend on id. Okay, params dot id. Okay, I think just dot id. Okay, yeah, that's good. So I'm getting param from, I think I can use the use params. Okay, params equal to use params. Okay, yeah, use params, that's good. This is a hook. Okay, using this we can easily get this. Okay, yeah. So what I can here, I'm going to create a function. Okay, which will take the, which will fetch our node. Okay, yeah, async okay, yeah. So add some try catch statement. Okay, I think try catch, yeah. So here what I can do here, just get the node id. Okay, node id equal to params dot id, and yeah, is as a string. Okay, yeah, that's good. It's always a string. Okay, yeah. Also what I need to do, basically I need to get our encryption key. Okay, encryption key. Okay, yeah, from window dot location. Okay, yeah, window dot location dot hash dot substring. Okay, yeah, first. Okay, yeah, remove the hash token. Okay, of course we need to remove the hash token. But if the encryption key is not available, okay, if the encryption key is not available, what we are going to do, invalid link, basically missing encryption key. Okay, so let's create a error for that. Okay, yeah, basically error state to handle errors. So const error comma set error, error. Okay, use state. So initially what we need to pass, make it empty. Okay, yeah, that's good. So what I can do here, just set this error. Okay, yeah, and I can write here invalid link. Okay, missing encryption key. Okay, yeah, that's good. And what I can do here, of course, also I need to create a loading function. Okay, yeah, const loading comma set loading. Okay, yeah, and first what I can do here, basically, yeah, make it false. Okay, yeah, that's good. So what I can do here, basically what I can add here, set loading is true. Okay, is false. Okay, yeah, I think we can add here set loading is true. Okay, yeah, that's okay. Initially show a loader. Okay, yeah, set loading is false. Okay, and also we need to return from here. Okay, yeah, that's good. So if we have the inscription key, so what I need to do here, basically we can directly check this. Okay, await fetch, just pass this URL. Okay, slash API slash nodes slash dollar the node ID. Okay, yeah, okay, I think this is okay. Yeah, that's good. Let me check here. Okay, I think for that I have a node ID. I'm getting the ID. Okay, I think okay, that's good. Yeah, so now I have this. Okay, I think this is to here. Okay, so what I can do here, pass this. If the response is okay, yeah, if response is not okay, let me check this. Okay, yeah, if the response is not okay. Okay, if the response is not okay, what we can do here, we can check also response. Basically I have passed 404. Okay, yeah, so if the status is 404, So what I can do here, we can set error, okay, set error note not found, okay, note not found, or has already, okay, already been been read, okay. Okay, else what I can show here, just add a set error, okay, sorry, set engine not set error, and what I can write here, failed to retrieve, okay, failed to retrieve note, okay, that's good. Okay, so I think everything is okay, yeah. Okay, so after that, if this is happening, okay, also here we can make our set is loading, set loading false, okay, yeah, that's good. Set loading false and just return it from here, okay, yeah. Okay, next, if we have the basically we successfully get the data, so what we can do here basically, so const um, equal to await response.json, okay, yeah. So this will return encrypted content, okay, yeah, this will return encrypted content. Also I'm getting the IV and a salt, okay, yeah. So what I need to do here, I need to add another try catch here, okay, yeah, try catch here, okay, yeah. So I think next I need to do just decrypt this, okay, const decrypt content, okay, yeah, const decrypt content, okay, and also I need to import this decrypt note, okay, yeah. And what I need to pass here, I need to pass the encrypted content, okay. Okay, actually that is not a encrypted content, okay, yeah, well, of course this is encrypted, okay. Also I need to pass the encrypted key, encryption key, okay, and next I need to pass the IB, and I can pass this salt as well, okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, and next what can I do, set content, okay, which content need to visible, I think I need to create an state also, so const content comma set content equal to use state, okay, initially we need, I can add make it empty, okay, yeah. So set content decrypted content, okay, yeah. Okay, set content the decrypted content is added, okay, yeah. Also I need to do basically has been read true or not, okay, so just create a set has been read, okay, make it true, okay, yeah. I think I haven't created this one, okay, control C, what I can add here, const, okay, comma control V, set has set read, okay, just make it set read, okay, yeah. Or I can write set has been read, okay, yeah. So initially what we can add here, just make it false, okay, yeah. Set has been read is true, okay, that's good, okay. Also I need to show a success message, okay, so show a toast dot success, okay. What I can do here, note decrypted successfully, okay. Also we can show here this note has been permanently deleted, okay, this note has been permanently deleted, okay, yeah. If I have the any error, okay, if anything error like here, what I can do here basically, if this the error is happening, just okay, no, I think I have import a unnecessary thing, okay, I don't need both of them, okay, yeah. So what I can do here basically, okay, set a curve, okay, yeah. set error. Okay, and what I can write here, okay, CT error. I think everywhere I have set error. No issue, just leave it as it is. Okay, yeah. So set error. Okay, what I can do here, fail to decrypt note. Okay, fail to decrypt note. Same as it, I can say is invalid key or corrupted data. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay. If we get any error here, okay, what does mean? There is a network error. Okay, yeah. So we can add set error. Okay, we can write here network error. Okay, yeah, fail to retrieve. Okay, yeah, fail to retrieve note. Okay, yeah, that's good. Also what I can add here, also just add a finally. Okay, finally block, and we can make it set is loading false. Okay, yeah, set loading false. Okay, yeah, that's good. So this way I can get the, and yeah, just call this function. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now what I'm doing is, after landing on this page, okay, what we need to do, basically just get the ID from the params and need to check and also get the encryption key. If the encryption key is not available, immediately show a error like invalid key or the missing encryption key. Okay, and next we need to take the response from the from our API. Okay, if the data is coming from their encrypted content IB and salt, using that we can decrypt our code using decrypt note method. Okay, yeah, which I have been declared earlier. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, okay, I think now we have everything. Okay, so if the loading is true, okay, what I can do here, if it's loading true, okay, if the loading is true, okay, yeah, I think I have like this. If loading is true, so I need to show another message. Okay, we have basically here I have a different message to show there. Okay, yeah, okay. So if the loading is true, what I can do here, just return. Okay, create a div here. Okay, yeah, that's good. And oh, take a card here. Okay, inside card content. Okay, now I write to read. I need to write everything from. Okay, yeah. So let's quickly add all the CSS. Okay, yeah. So class name, basically what we can write here, take the whole width. Okay, screen background is gradient. Okay, yeah, to br. Okay, from select to 9000. Okay, be a purple. Okay, be a purple 900. Okay, yeah, that's good. Be a purple 900 to select 900. Okay, to select. Okay, yeah, that's good. As also flex items center. Okay, justify also center. Okay, yeah, that's good. And okay, what I can do here, I need to add some class here. Okay, as well. So the class is bg slat. Okay, 8000 and yeah, 50 border slat 700. Okay, yeah, and max is what, w, and medium. Okay, margin x is 4. Okay, yeah, and also I need to add some class here. Okay, so class name is here pt. Okay, padding top is 6. Okay, I need to one more class here. Okay, so div outer div had some class name. Okay, so animate. Okay, animate spin. Okay, no, not here. Okay, yeah, add a flex here. Okay, flex item center. Okay, flex item center, so justify center. Okay, yeah, space x2. Okay, yeah, Now need to create a one more div. Okay, the class name animate. Okay, animate spin. Okay, yeah, animate spin, add a rounded full. Okay, yeah, I think that's good. Rounded full, add a height, also width is 6. Okay, yeah, border bottom is 2, and also border is purple. Okay, I think purple is okay, purple. Yeah, that's good. And after that I can add a span here. Okay, yeah, the class name, the text is white. Okay, yeah, what I can show here, retrieving. Okay, retrieving. Okay, retrieving secure note. Okay, yeah, that's good. If the loading is true, then we can show here. Okay, yeah, I think we need to create if the error is happening. Okay, if the error is true, so what I can do here, okay, if the error is true. Okay, yeah, so I think okay, I have decided. Okay, okay, so if the error is true, okay, I think I need this completely. Okay, yeah, what I can show here, basically take the whole width. I think just make it as it is. Okay, yeah, I need to sub content here. Okay, yeah, so card content, inside card content also I can add some header as well. Okay, yeah, so just copy it here, add a div here. Okay, yeah, add a div here. It will have the class name, maximum width is medium, and margin exit 4. Okay, yeah, paste it here. Okay, yeah, we have the card header as well. Okay, yeah, card header as well. Okay, I think I need to change the card style as well. Okay, no, this is okay. Yeah, border slat is 700. I need to remove this here. Okay, yeah, I think okay, let me check here. I make a mistake. Okay, I need to write a max here. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so card style is okay, so I need the card header as well. Okay, yeah, that's good. So inside card header I need to create a one div. Okay, take one icon from alert triangle. Okay, alert triangle. Also I need one more icon, then okay, card title. Okay, not icon. Okay, that's good. So what I can write here, note not found. Okay, yeah, note not found, and I can make it class. Okay, I can add some class here. So class name, basically first define the height and width. Width is 6, height is 6. Okay, yeah, text is red 400. Okay, yeah, that's good. I can add some class here. Okay, so class name is flex item center. Okay, yeah, flex item center space x2. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so now this is okay. We have the card header. Okay, also we need to insert out some card content. So instead of padding top which is 6, I need to add a space. Y should be 4. Okay, yeah, that's good. So I need some paragraph as well. Okay, here I am going to show actual error. Okay, yeah, okay, add some class here. Okay, so the class is also, I need to just change the text slat. Okay, yeah, text slat it's at 3000. Okay, yeah, 300. Okay, that's good. Okay, So this is a div. Okay, I need to make here also changes. Okay, yeah. So I need to add the bg amber. Okay, 9000. Okay, 900 divided by 20. Okay, yeah. And I also need to add a border, and border is amber and 700. Okay, yeah. Rounded large, and padding is 4. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, I think it's good. And I don't need any span here. Okay, yeah, I can create a paragraph here, and the text is I need. Okay, I think I can copy it from here. Okay, yeah. So where is it is? Where I have added a strong. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me check once again. Okay, yeah, this is. Okay, so I can copy it completely. Okay, just add a copy and go here. I can paste it here. Okay, yeah, I don't think I need this. Okay, yeah. So just remove it, and what I can write here, remember. Okay, yeah. I need to add some class name here. Okay, yeah. Class name should be text is let. No, text I can add a amber. Okay, a text amber 200, and make a text sm. Okay, yeah, text is small. That's good. I think I need to write something else here. Okay, yeah. So secure nodes can only be read once. Okay, can only be read once. Okay, if this note was already open, it has been permanently. Okay, it has been permanently deleted for security. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, I think this is a clear information. Okay, yeah. So okay, I think everything is fine. Okay, yeah. Now we can create our home page. Okay, yeah, that's good. So create a page. How we can create page? Okay, so yeah, first I need to check. Okay, I need to add a header for that. Okay, yeah, for that exactly same. Okay, yeah. So let me go here. Okay, just good, create the. Okay, yeah, I need same class here. Okay, I think minimum height is screen. Okay, I need to change here as well. Control C, add here. Okay, as well. Okay, yeah. Okay, so slide to 700. I think I don't care, I don't need this. Okay, yeah. Control B. So what I need here, I need to create a div as well. Okay, so I think I can copy it from here as well. Okay, this div. Okay, yeah, we can copy this. This is, I think the header is same. Okay, maybe this both are same. Okay, let's do it. Copy and paste it here. Okay, yeah, Control V. Okay, so this will create any problem. Why this is creating? Basically I don't have div. I also create a one more div. Okay, now it's okay. Yeah, I don't have the shield icon, so I need this. Okay, yeah, that's good. So I think I need only this h1. Okay, div, I don't need this. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so what I have written here, maximum width is 400. Okay, div is okay, text we can make it a 8. Okay, I think now everything also we can give some small height and width. Okay, yeah. Okay, just make it smallish at it. Okay, yeah, secure node. Now what we need to do basically, okay, if it's read successfully, okay, if has been read, okay, let add this, okay, yeah, if has been read, okay, what I made it, okay, let me check once again. Okay, I think I need to write here has been read, okay, not set, okay, yeah, if has been read, okay, if has been read, so what I can do here, okay, we can show message here, okay, yeah, create a div here, okay, see is div has some css, okay, so class name should be bg green, and yeah, 900 divided by 20, okay, that's good. Also we have some border here, okay, border, the border color should be green, okay, yeah, I think why the color is not fitting, yeah, b is missing, okay, yeah. Also what we can do here, we can add a rounded, okay, rounded large, that's good. Padding is 4, margin bottom is 6, okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, and what I can do here, basically we need to next create a div, class name it should be flex, okay, item is center, and space x is 2, okay, yeah. Okay, so it's showing you are importing a component that needs huge params, okay. So what I can do here, I can make it as a client component, okay, this as well, okay. Okay, okay, now you can see the retrieving secure node, okay, it is showing, okay, we are retrieving secure node. I think node decrypted, actually this node has been permanently deleted, we don't have this actually, if the has been read successfully, okay, yeah. So now I am on this part, okay. Okay, let me see how much how this is URL is going, okay, yeah, let's show. So I think as of now we have created this, I need a eye icon, okay, eye icon from the Lucid, add some text here, okay, as well. So class name should be width is 5 and height is 5, okay, yeah, that's good, and text green 400, okay, yeah. So I think now I'm getting this, okay, it's still retrieving since node not found or has been already has been read. Okay, remember secure nodes can only be read once. If this node was already open, it has been permanently deleted for security, okay, yeah. So I am getting this, basically there is a error something, okay, yeah, we are getting some error. Let me check here, okay, I think we don't get here, okay, let's do it. Server response it is a 404, okay, it's not found, okay. So you can see if the 404, so what I have done here, if the 404 set error, okay, so if this error is true, so that's why I am showing this, okay, yeah, this is which one. I think this is not, okay, this is on center maybe, okay, this is not in center, but no worry, okay, make it center, okay, yeah. So why this is not center, item center justify between, okay, that's why it is not center. I think we need to add this center, okay, yeah, I think now it's a center, okay, okay, this is center. Also I need to do this, okay, make this center as well, okay, yeah, okay, yeah. So now if I refresh it, okay, it is automatically refresh actually, yeah. So if I refresh, okay, you can check here, see this, yeah, retrieving secure node is also in center, okay, yeah. So it retrieving secure node, okay, yeah, that's good. Error is also working. Now I am going to create a I, okay, yeah. So what I need to do here, basically I need to give a button also you can create. Okay, yeah. Also let me show here. Okay, note not found, I already been read. Okay, remember this is okay, that's good. Create a I. Okay, I think, yeah. Okay, the I is open. Okay, what we can do here, we also need to create a paragraph. And yeah, the paragraph sort tool is okay. Paragraph told us, okay, just make a, add a some strong tag. Okay, yeah. No, not this strong tag. What we can write here, note, yes, you double C successfully. Okay, note successfully decrypted. And what you can do here, basically, okay, this note has been permanently, okay, this is permanently deleted. Okay, permanently deleted and cannot be accessed again. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, let's add some CSS here. Okay, yeah. Okay, sorry, I think I need only add a class name and text is green. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's good. I think this condition is also completed. Okay, what I need to do here next, or content. Okay, node content. So our node content and a button to the copy. Okay, yeah. Okay, so open a card here. Okay, I can immediately. Okay, card. Okay, insert card. Also we need card header as well. Okay, that's good. Also I need a card content. Okay, this is a card content. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Okay, now what I can add here, inside card header I need a card title as well. Okay, yeah. Okay, so inside card title I can show like your messages. Yeah, your message. Okay, yeah, that's good. I can add some class here. Okay, yeah, class name here, so that should be bg slat. Okay, 8000 of the 50. Okay, border and slat. Okay, border slat 700. Okay, that's good. And also I can add here class name should be text is white. Okay, yeah. So it is exactly look the same again, but yeah, we can add here a card title. Okay, but also can add card description. Okay, yeah, let's add a card description. So the description is this: note has been decrypted. Okay, this note has been decrypted and will never be accessible again. Okay, yeah, that's good. We have the card description, and also I can add some class name here. It's a text slat 4000. Okay, yeah. Okay, card header, card content. Okay, yeah, that's good. So inside I think our card header is ready, so card content should be, so I need to add a class name here. So the class name it should be of space y4. Okay, I need some space from 4. Okay, yeah. Okay, so what I need to add here, I need to add some background. Okay, yeah, I think it's the same background we need to add which we have added inside here. Okay, yeah, for the input field. Okay, yeah, basically for the text area. So just copy this. I think I can write here control V. So yeah, minimum height is 2000, that's good. BG slide 9000 by 50. I have also border slide 600. Okay, placeholder I don't think this is needed. Also this is also not needed. Yeah, text is white, that's good. Also we can remove this, okay, from here. BG slide 9000, that's good. I can add a rounded large, okay, yeah. And padding can be 6, okay. I have already added, and yeah, this is a relative, okay, yeah. I think I have not added border, okay, yeah, border added here, okay, yeah, that's good. So now what I need to add here, I need to add a okay. So inside pre we are going to see our content, okay, sorry, yeah, content. So I think I have this content, okay. Achha, okay, sorry, I make a mistake here, so this should be a content, okay, yeah, now it is okay. And I can add here some class. The class name can be text white, okay, of course. Just remove the white spaces. Pre-line, okay, yeah, that's good. Or also what we can show, pre-wrap, okay, yeah, pre-wrap, okay. Okay, font sans, I think leading is relaxed, okay, yeah, leading is relaxed, okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, I need to also create a copy button, okay, for the copy this thing, okay, yeah. I think I can take it from here as well, okay, the copy button. Okay, where is the copy button? I think this is, yeah, this is here. Okay, so the button is okay. I don't have this, okay. I can write it here, okay, directly. So what I can do here, yeah, navigator, okay, let me check. I think Nebula is coming. Navigator dot clipboard, okay, dot write text. And what I can pass here, we can pass here content, okay, yeah. And just show a message, toast or success, copied to clipboard, okay, yeah. Okay, I think that's okay. Maybe this is working, yeah, of course this is working. I need to also import the button, okay, the button is also available. Okay, I need the copy icon as well, okay, the copy is also available. I don't need this, okay, yeah, no need to show this. Width is height 5 and icon say here 5. No need any margin, okay, yeah, that's good. Also okay, okay. So I think now the button is working, okay. I think also I need to change the variant. I need to use the ghost, okay. So ghost, okay, the ghost size is the icon, okay, of course size should be icon, okay. Okay, yeah, that's good. Also I need to change the css here, okay, yeah, make the absolute, okay, yeah. From top is 3, okay, from the right is 3 as well, okay, from the right is 3, okay, top is 3 and right is 3, okay, yeah. And text slate is 300, okay, yeah, that's good. Text slate is 300 and after hover the text is white, okay, yeah, okay, that's good. Inside copy all those things is absolutely right, okay, yeah. Okay, so I think our card content is okay properly. Yeah, we can add on more thing here, okay, yeah. So let's add some message here, okay, yeah. class name should be bgred. Okay, bgred 9020. Okay, yeah, we need to add some border, and border it's red, it's a 700. Okay, and we can add a rounded large. Okay, padding is 4. Okay, yeah, I can add some paragraph here. Inside paragraph, what I can write here, I think I need some emoji. Okay, yeah, fire. Okay, yeah, I think this emoji is okay. Yeah, I need the strong tag. Control X, I can write it here. Okay, Control S, that's good. But I can write here self d s t r u c t d destructing. Okay, yeah, so I can make it here. This note has been permanently, okay, this note has been permanently deleted from our server and cannot be recovered. Okay, yeah, cannot be recovered, that's good. Yeah, and this link, okay, the link you used, okay, you used is now invalid. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, yeah, so what I need to do also, I think I need to provide a button. Okay, yeah, that's good. I need to provide a button uh, for the going to home. Okay, yeah, add some width is 4, and we can add a height is 4. Okay, yeah, also margin right is 2. Okay, yeah, that's good. I can write here create another secure node. Okay, yeah, create another secure node, and I can add here on click go home. Okay, let's create a one more function here. I think I need a use router as well. Okay, yeah, so just use a use router. Okay, yeah, okay, so now we have the user router, so const router equal to use router. Okay, yeah, so what I can do here, I think after that, yeah, let's create here. Okay, yeah, const, okay, router dot, what we can write here, just push. Okay, just push the first. Okay, yeah, that's good. So I think that's okay, maybe I can write anything. Okay, yeah, create another secure node, that's good. With is okay, I need add some classes as well. Okay, yeah, take the whole width. Okay, yeah, take the whole width, man. And yeah, also background is purple, it's a 700. Okay, yeah, we can add some text is the white. Okay, yeah, I think everything is good. Let me check if we don't have any error. Use router, basically what is happening, next router is not. Okay, use router. Okay, why I'm getting this? Okay, let me check. Okay, so I don't think this is needed. The next navigation, I getting the use router from the next navigation. Okay, yeah, use router is okay. Why I'm getting this actually? This should be work maybe. Let me check again. Okay, yeah, I'm getting the use router. Okay, I think I need to take it from the use navigation. Okay, maybe that will work. Okay, yeah. So let me check. I think yeah, this is working. So retrieving, that is false. Okay, not found. Okay, so let me check again. Okay, yeah, just back here. I think okay, just go here. So let's create here anything. Okay, create a secure node. Yeah, now you can this copy this URL and paste it here. Okay, retrieving secure node. Yeah, that's good. Node decrypted successfully. This node successfully decrypted. This node has been permanently deleted. Can be accessed again. Okay, I can copy it from here. Why I'm getting the error is the 3. Okay, okay, let's check. Okay, I think I made a mistake here. Yeah, let me check here. Okay, yeah, so of course this was a mistake. Okay, yeah, I need to make it like this. Okay, I need to add a class name equal to, and then I can use it. Okay, yeah. Also, what happened, you see, like but this button is not properly visual. Okay, yeah, I think the reason is I have the added. Okay, okay, I think okay, why I'm getting this error, man. The page, I think I need to add some flags as well. Okay, okay, let me check if we have any error. Okay, let's go here. Let's create another one. Okay, that's good. Okay, create a secure node. It's created. Just copy it, just paste it here. Okay, I think yeah, now everything is looks good. Okay, yeah, we can also redirect here. Just create another one, click here. Okay, we are getting this URL. Okay, just paste it here. Okay, so retrieving secure nodes. Okay, yeah, node successfully decrypted. I think everything is good. I can copy it as well as I can paste it here. Okay, yeah. Okay, and what I can do, if I try to copy it this and yeah, paste it here, what you will see, yeah, node not found or has already been read. Remember, secure node can only be read once. If this so node was already open, it has been permanently deleted for security. Okay, yeah. So I think our part is completed. We can add some CSS here. Okay, as well as maybe I think okay, there is a mistake inside. Okay, yeah, let me check here why I am getting this. Okay, so minimum high screen, we have the BG gradient. Okay, to be from, okay, I think okay, I need to add this. Okay, yeah, and to select 900. Okay, that's good. Also I need to add the flex. Okay, flex item center. Yeah, I need this. Okay, yeah, justify should be center. Okay, yeah. Okay, now you can see the, I think it is refreshing. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me go here. Okay, create another one that is valid. Okay, yeah. Okay, so just copy it here and paste it here. Okay, now you can check everything now looks good. Okay, yeah, the node has been decrypted and it will be accessible. I think I need to add some CSS here. Okay, yeah, the node has been decrypted. Okay, we have successfully decrypted. Okay, let me check, the node has been decrypted. There is some mistake I have made. Text, okay, text should be slide and 400. Okay, yeah, let me create another one. Okay, copy this here and I think now yeah, yeah. Okay, so now I'm getting it properly. I think everything is looks good. You can make it as it is. Okay, here I think yeah, let's do it. Okay, properly. Okay, so go to the cart content. I think I made a mistake here. Okay, yeah, I think it's good. Okay, leave it as it is. Yeah, now everything is working properly. Okay, that's good. We can also create another one, and it is permanently deleted. Okay, yeah, that's good. Now let's quickly create a repo for this. Okay, close others, close other tabs. Okay, yeah, so go to GitHub. Okay, yeah, create a one more repo, quickly deploy this. Okay, yeah, everything is work properly end to end for the YouTube. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I think I need to copy this. Okay, go to here. Yeah, clear. And what I can do here, just paste it. Yeah, enter. Okay, so git add dot git commit minus m completed our e to e. Okay, yeah, that's good. Git push origin main. Okay, yeah, now we have this. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now it's uploaded. Okay, yeah, that's good.